Dude, oh my God. It's like literally the universe is like, nah, dude. Nah, you want to stream today? Go. No, I'm going to destroy you. I'm going to ruin your life. Hi, I'm the universe. Get wrecked. All right, just so you know. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's going to be a stream today. I mean, like, there can't be a stream today. Like, the way this is, there's nothing I can do. Like, I can't, you can, oh, I'm going to the internet company and make them make it right. I can't do anything. If the internet doesn't work here, I can't do stream. Very simple. Jesus. Hey, what's up? Good to see y'all for like 10 seconds before the internet loses itself again, because look where I live. Yeah. There are stereotypes for a reason. I'll just say that. All right. Make your stereotypes about Alabama internet. All right. So, good to see y'all. Late, better late than never. And while we have internet for 10 seconds, Yeah, bull flag, breakout. You give me a day of indecision after an impulse candle that breaks out above all-time highs, I'm gonna be doing this all day. Give me that 3-bar play, chat. The 3-bar play. Give it to me, or else. What's a 3-bar play? Do you really want to see what a 3-bar play is? I mean, do we have to do education now? I mean, come on, dude. 3-bar play. Is the 3-bar play? Maybe, potentially. All right. Let me just look for a good example. Here's a great example, man. What's the 3-bar play? All right. Sorry, got to deal with bull crap, but look, 3-bar play. This is it right here. All who cares? Like 3-bar play. One large impulse candle, and then a candle of indecision, and then a bullish engulfing candle after it. Okay. Normally, this first candle should be a significant, actual, real breakout above some inflection point. We certainly have that, and now we have like the back test. We have kind of a back test. We have an indecision candle. So now today we need it. Okay. Yeah, the second bar needs to be in the upper 50% of the first bar. Certainly that is the case. I mean, for 25% candle. Yeah, beautiful. Relatively equals highs. Okay. 3 and 4, the trigger bar, if you want to call it that. Yeah. If someone's trying to play it and it's actually beginning, the stop loss is just marginally below that second candle's low, which is like 66.1. If you want, dude, that's not, I mean, that's almost day trading. That's so close. There's no leeway for mistake. It can't go down and then rally. You get stopped out. So I'm just telling you, right? Kind of the stop loss just below that 66.1. That's super tight. Plus, it doesn't even matter because we were here beforehand. We were trading the potential inverse head and shoulders, which is now confirmed inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour. So I'm just saying the daily. If it could do that, great. If not, whatever, man. I'm not worried about it. Just saying, it's not the worst thing in the world when you have huge impulse candles and then one 24-hour period of just indecision that is much higher and closed near the top anyway. So that was not a bad candle, chat. I'm just on the daily. It's beautiful, actually. Look at you on the daily RSI 65.76. I would say that's like perfect conditions. You know, you're in really good shape here, chat. Okay. One thing you've never done in the history of humankind is back tested the old all-time high from April 14th as support. You've never done that, and normally you don't do that when you break previous all-time highs. Anyway, so that's it. The daily. Good to see y'all. Hi. Wow, dude. Unfortunately, on the 4-hour, for the past 8 hours, you have back tested what was once the old all-time high as resistance. Gross. Stop doing that. Test it as support. Stop being a scrub. Because you do that long enough, then all of a sudden you might make sense to go down to 64,899 again to test that level. So stop doing that. Break back above 66,999 and then go berserk to 88K eventually. All right, but I'm just telling you, you're well off entry areas on Bitcoin. Get out of here. I just get the F out of the stream. If you're being like, I need to know, should I buy Bitcoin now? It's like, where the F were you? Like literally a week ago, before this impulse happened, there was certainly an argument for a long at reasonable areas where one could set up an entry, a stop loss, and take profits. And now you're well off those levels. It could keep certainly going up, and you think it would based on the trade setup. And if you're in at reasonable areas that are much lower, where it was easy to strategize a stop loss and an entry, who cares? Let them pull back to 65K. I don't care. You shouldn't care either as a swing trader. But to ask about a fresh long right now, you done messed up by asking that question, because you should have been here literally a week ago. That's it, dude. If I raise my voice, it just means I'm a little close to the microphone, which is good. Better than too quiet. I'll tell you that. I know for a fact being too quiet in a microphone is worse than being too loud. Because at least you can hear me when I'm too loud, even though it sounds like crap. Oh, is it because of internet? Yeah, dude, internet. Restarting streams and stuff, dude. Okay, thanks. Now it's good. Now we should be good. All the likes are not hidden. Okay, they do that by default because normally everyone's content's crap, you know, so. Arabian Pleb, no one's asked about that in 10 years, dude. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Thought we were friends.
Hi brother, can we please look at null/USD on Binance? Looks like Gartley Bartley at Iceline.
Gartley Bartley. Okay, dude. Also, Anonymous came in and tipped. I'm talking within 30... Dude, my live stream before, when I just started and stopped it, it was 1 second long. And I have like 10 comments. Great stream, short but sweet. Everyone's trolling now. But someone tipped in that 1 second. And they requested track. So we're going to look at track, newly Coinbase listed. Not Coinbisted. I had a few beers today, okay? With colleagues, if you want to call them that, all right? So I've had a lot of things going on today. Get out of here. Just leave it alone, man. Welcome to the life. All right, so yeah, we'll look at it there. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. The 4 hour. Oh my God, it's Bond. Bond's beeping. It's bumping. Hey, remember that time Bond existed as an asset that was actionable for a long? If you're a patron, you remember. Here it was, chat. Bond, November 4th. 5 days ago. This was done live on stream, too. Hey, man, could you look at Bond for me? I'm trying to feed my friends and family. Is Bond okay? And it's like, sir, Bond's above the inflection point of 2670 to 2757. You could certainly feed your family if the asset holds above this level long enough. Certain, yeah, right. You get it, and that's how you protect yourself if it failed. Oh well, sir. I mean, the asset never fell below that critical level. So see ya, first level, first target of the trade setup's been achieved, and you're on your way to number 2, which is like 43.87, 43.95, which it makes sense. It's like the high from some time in history. They won't even tell me on that freaking thing.
Ross super chatted $50. /use thanks Mitch Hardy.
Hey Ross, man, thanks for the pity, dude. Yeah, look at Dash. I mean, come on, dude. Like, what do you even want? You come here. I need value out of this stream. It's like, if you miss Dash, you have no one to blame but yourself. No, you can't blame me. You certainly can't get mad at me because I was like, I screamed it from the top of the mountaintops. Oh yeah, did we, man? Did that happen, Brad, man? Okay, listen, look here, listen, chat, all right? We got new patron. We got Andre, we got Josh L, we got Colin T, we got Zatch D, we got Tala K, but then we have Pedro JEA. He has 4 names, chat. 4 names. And then we had London Lad, who came in and joined annually. Thank you so much, London Lad, dude. And then thank you so much for all the patrons who joined.
Can we look at Zem/USD? Looks like Cypher at Iceline. Pretty deep
Nemesis
on D,
Connect.
but I think still
Really?
valid. Much love, man.
Okay. We'll look at it. Thank you, man. The Londoner had to do annually. Obviously, this channel and support is the best, he says. Thank you, London Lad, who's also London Lair. Thank you, dude. Okay, so thank y'all. The support is overwhelming and unbelievable, and I'm super grateful. So just gonna have a little. Oh no! Hold on, let me change that. No wonder weird things are happening. Kermit the Frog here wants to look at Lena. Yeah, we'll look at Lena did. All right, calm down, Kermit. Don't croak out. Cause Frog, I got something wrong here. No one tip again for a second. Okay, that's off too. The header. That's good. Dude, I'm so off here. Super off. This is what's going on. Okay, this is bad. Bruh. So many sirens, dude. Okay, so we're gonna move on as I try to keep this going here. I think we're right. Okay, so bond is continuing to climb at its highest level of the day. Highest level this asset's seen since October 15th, and it was a scam wig. What's up, Freeman, dude?
Hey Mitch, what's cooking? What do we think of a long entry here on SKL plus Coinbase 0.00505550 ETH?
I don't know. We'll certainly look at it. Thank you for remembering. The $24 and 1 penny of cryptocurrency. Thank you so much, dude. Okay, kings. All right, gonna move on. The beep went off. We had to go. So we looked at Bitcoin. Did we look at Ethereum? I can't even remember anymore. No, we did not. Ethereum, it's just been hanging out, you know, all day. Like it topped out last night and pulled back. Just chilling, man. Just making a substantially higher low. Negative momentum's going, but just resetting. I mean, maybe there was a little divergence argument that's starting to play out, but that's pathetic if it's playing out. That's it. Good. Let it. It's gonna go to 5K next. Look, man. I can't tell you there's an actionable area for a long right now on Ethereum. One should have just been accumulating Ethereum the whole month of October, dude. Like if you weren't doing that, well, yeah, you're kind of in riskier places to enter because it's just harder to strategize an entry. But dang, man, I'm thinking 5K, 6K on Ethereum where it is right now. Eventually, yeah, it could pull back certainly down to 45, 50 if things get bad for Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin's in real price discovery, this thing's not. And things going to 5K next. And we'll talk after that. It's not at an area that is amazing for a long. The greatest, lowest risk entry for a long on Ethereum was down here around $3,000. That is certain. I mean, that was the area that made all the sense. Above that, it's just like you're off of the entry that made the most sense. Now it's like, I don't like... Besides just local hidden divergence and things like that, it's just harder to talk about. I mean, kind of made sense, really, even on Saturday, November 6th, where what was once a resistance became support. Just like October 31st, what was the daily candle high close became support. So you had like multiple back tests of the inflection zone. It's really cool. And it's rallied both times off of that. But for now, let it ride, dude. You're just letting your long position you're already in ride, right? Because you were responsible and did the right thing much earlier than now. You're not worried about Ethereum now, right? Hopefully, okay. Yeah. Let's look at it. Let's look at you know, all those other ones, right? There were 10 that were 10 of the 20 NFTs were sold. There are only 10 left. I've delisted all the other ones. You cannot buy them anymore. So there's 10 supply of the I Like Totals NFT. Hey Chris, what's up, dude? Campbell's, yeah, I've been all right. God, been getting beaten down. Campbell's is a great asset to own during a COVID crash, though. It killed it during that, right? Like Clorox. I guess Peloton. Ugh. All right. Hey, I won't say it. We'll
I like turtles.
There you go. I like Turtles, chat. did not close at its highest level ever today. It closed with an indecision candle after a previous record day. And again, I love those. I love big impulse candle days, then indecision candle days, and then another candle that engulfs the previous candle and moons to the highest levels ever again. So remember, it's around $3 trillion. I mean, it kind of did that. It's like done, dude. You're at the 1272 fib extension. It's like, it's it. So what more could you ask for? I'm just talking about fib extensions. I'm talking about from the high point to low point of the harmonic structure. High to low. This has not changed. The same analysis. Yeah, 2.97 was actually the target, and it hit that and not 3 trillion. And then after that's 3.17, and then after that's 3.46 trillion, the 1.618. So, oh, TA being respected like over and over and over again. I can't believe this. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Cardano pumped today. Yay, it did it, man. We knew it could. And if it did 230 and it hit 230, and that's it. It has not gone any higher than 230, the highest candle close of all time from May 16th before. You break that, you're probably going to 247, the wick high, and above that, you're going deep reset. You could just talk about something like this. It's just in your mind, right? It's like a lower low in this 786, 886.
Yo, yo, yo. Thanks, beautiful person.
There it is. $2.96 will be your target probably eventually if this happened. What's up, PK man? Beautiful person. Chad, I think many people in here would disagree with beautiful person. I'm not very pretty. You're not here for my looks, okay? I might as well like never. I should just take the webcam off, right? And just have some picture or something of a beautiful woman. Because like, who cares? Like, it's almost just like an ego. It's so egotistical that I even have my webcam up. Like, who cares about my face and my body and my background? We just have a blank picture or nothing. We just have more charts. We could do that, man. For real. And it wouldn't be weird. It'd probably be better for the stream. Let's be real. It could just be bred forever. Yes, literally bred forever. Could work too. So Cardano, if it breaks 230, 247, you break 247, boom, 290. Yep. But it was just not. We knew there was divergence from the low to the lowest low. We knew we were near an inflection point. It could have gone higher. It did. And that's great, man. It just wasn't that easy on this one. I'm really digging things that are making higher lows, higher highs. There were too many of them. Dash being one of them. And many others. So it was just, there were better assets that it looked better technically than Cardano, and they performed better than Cardano. So Binance Coin, one of your top performing assets or your highest market cap assets, got all the way up to an 88% retrace, and it's just hanging out. It did bearishly engulf yesterday, barely, and it's just now like, hey, if you want to know about Binance Coin, if it holds above $600, $1,000 eventually. This thing, late cycle, the market, probably $1,000. I mean, give me a break. If it holds this is a lot of chop. It's a huge zone. We could just mark it out in gray here. If you hold $600 long enough, you go into probably $1,000 in time. Hey, Jeffrey, you man. He's reporting for duty. Get out your Kodak camera, man. Get out your Kodak camera, man. Thank you, dude. Much love. But we'll look at it for sure. Mana. I need my mana. So that's your topper coins. Did something change? I have to look back at it. I actually have a button for it. It's literally ironic. I'm clicking it. Big one, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano. No, we're good. Solana, Sol number 5, Tether's number 5, Sol 6, XRP. So, okay. Dogecoin's in the top 10, chat. Oh my god. Good. We own Doge. Double Bubble, thanks so much for buying the classic pullover hoodie. He says, thank you. No. Thank you. Please. Thank you. All right. I'm working on things. I'm working on being a better human being, man. Being a better man. Hey, Jose M. Thanks so much for joining the Patreon. My man. Please be sure to link the Patreon on the Discord. Okay. Thank you, dude. We good? Something's going on. Hey, thanks for the 4 YouTube subscribers today. Times are tough, chat. Could you imagine trying to start a streaming career now? Dude, you do not want to imagine it. It's hard enough for people who've been doing it for years, okay? Okay. So we'll move on. Let's go to this like real quick before we get into a couple of these requests. Let's go to the S&P 500. The 1.618 done once, man, it has reacted. And we'll see how long that reaction lasts. Just like the 113% retrace, you reacted and then immediately mooned again. So just pay attention here. 1.618 connect, you're there. So pullbacks occur here, and it's not weird.
$24.57. Hey Mitch, please check black check mark at ergo/USDT 0.09360000 LTC.
Ergonomics. Sure, we'll get ergo, man. Damn, man. Appreciate it. So the S&P at levels that make plenty of sense for some sort of pullback. It's 1.618. Talk to anyone in traditional technical analysis. They'll be like, yeah, the 1.618 is definitely, that's an important area. So if you react there, I'm not saying it's over and reversing, we're going to zero, or bear market's here. I'm just saying this is exactly where reactions occur, pullbacks happen. So we're at it on the S&P. So if you're taking profit as a trader, you might be losing some of those gains if this is exactly where the reaction's occurring. Okay, cool. Dow Jones. The Jones of Dow. 1414 fib extension.
It's China to me, China.
Did I miss the TSLA short trade setup? Smiley face.
That's funny, dude. Because, nah. It's really scary shorting Tesla. It doesn't matter if it's going to crash. It's just like, it's a shorts graveyard, man. You just want to you think it's the best time ever to short Tesla. You're decimated. You're obliterated. That's your life. That's your legacy. Yeah, kiddo, I tried shorting Tesla and lost half my value of my trade. Yep, that happened to me. Nah, man, longing Tesla when you can, when it makes sense, is great because look what happened. That was a trade set up for all patrons. It was hand delivered to you last month, and you may not have taken it, but it definitely played out and actually has marginally exceeded the third target of the trade setup. So, yeah. FIL is pumping. Oh, well, you know what? As the composite operator chat, which you all are, if you own FIL, you're a member of the composite operator. What do you call it? We're the composite operators because we know what the composite operator paints, and we're with him or her, and we're just hanging out. And we don't care because composite operator is going to try to F everybody out of their coins at those levels. So it's like, but yeah, it's up today. Congrats. Don't get cocky. Yeah, I'm up substantially on it. Even more so now than I was the past few days, but I don't care. I'm not. We'll talk about it when it has its own headline day like Litecoin had, and a few others. What? Oh, sorry, my chat screwed up too. My bad. Let me fix that real quick, okay? Goodness gracious. This is what happens when you're doing things all day and... I can hear Kramer on TV downstairs. I think he's saying I'm selling all my Bitcoin right now. Chat. Right now I'm Kramer. And my everything. I'm selling all crypto. Get wrecked. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Dow Jones 144 extension. I mean, that's exactly where any of these extensions, you can pull back, you react. There's no bearish edge here. Nothing's implying that buyers are exhausted. You can pull back. Maybe you go back test 35.6 as support for the first time and then rally to higher prices. And then that's maybe where you develop bearish divergence of some sort, right? But anyway, it's great, man. I mean, talking like defensive stocks, all-time highs, a lot of them. Shoot, man, killing it. It's so nice. It's really nice for, you think about, I don't know, man. Maybe some people are just smarter than me, but I have a crap load of individual assets, right? That have nothing to do with mutual funds, all that. I have so much crypto, so many things that are individual. But then I do also have mutual funds. Yeah, I pay a small expense ratio. You know, I've got old 401ks from my previous employer a long time ago. That's just, man, it's doing great. You know, dividends reinvested. I also have that on my SCP and a little bit in my Roth. I mean, like, whatever. You just continue to diversify as much as you can, man. Like, I think that's your goal, is like, the more diversified I am, the more I'm winning this game. Like, I just think like everything, like REITs, but then real estate you actually physically own, maybe a little gold, and then like this physical, and then a little paper gold like GLD or something, right? You just some hard Bitcoin on exchanges, some Bitcoin on cold storage, dude. Everything that you can, just to further diversify everything, man. Anyway, I think that's probably the best route, but we'll see in the end. All right, NASDAQ composite, knock it out. Oh my God, it reversed a little bit today. It pulled back. Yeah, it pulled back, down 0.6%. There's no bearish divergence or anything on the daily at all, not even close. I think you pull back, you'll attempt a big rally on all of them based on the way the oscillators look right now. Cool. So you're just in the fib extension territory. Awesome. Plus 2000. Oh, I'm sure this one, yeah, I'll pull back. Hey, the 1618. It exceeded a little bit, but it's reacting there. Hey, the daily yesterday. Now, what is that? It's almost like a shooting star, some sort. So maybe you confirm the shooting star. Maybe you get a little bit more of a reaction. Definitely levels where it could pull back a little bit. Doesn't mean it's reversing violently. It's going to zero. It just means a pullback, a reaction could occur. Sell orders are there, and it's clear that there's a few there anyway, for now. Okay, till the bullish trend overtakes the whole world. All right, again and again and again. First request. It was track. It's the track, man. Is that the song? This is just one of those that look, man, it was great. It had its same setup as everything else, all these cryptos, full resets, back tests of old resistance as support, confirmation lows, and then moon. Perfect. Outperformer. But now it's still in this area on the daily that just doesn't make much sense for a strategic entry, like I'm talking about for someone who cares about value, right? There's no value. You're paying extreme amounts of premium still for this asset. For the swing trader, nothing on the daily makes any sense yet for the swing trader or the investor, the position trader, if you will, someone who's holding longer than 5 days. 4 hour, if anything, it's like one high and then a second high. You think this maybe could turn into some sort of like ascending triangle or something, but for now it's extremely neutral. Extremely neutral. I don't think there's any action to take on this asset based on the formula that's taught here, right? The formula that is every single chart we look at, we're looking for those same exact variables. Nothing changes. It's like math. Unfortunately, this asset at this current time does not meet the criteria of everything we want to see, even if it goes up next. Isn't that crazy? Because if the formula isn't applicable, you look at the asset, you flip the coin, it lands on heads. Oh my God, track went up tomorrow. You flip the coin, it lands on tails. Oh my God, track went down tomorrow. So like if you got a 50% chance, you don't like playing the numbers game, you don't want to deal with it, man. You just move on. Yeah, maybe eventually if it can actually pivot, maybe just maybe hidden bullish divergence could appear on the RSI. It just hasn't pivoted yet, really. You don't know. It's too early, and it's just not in areas where, as the swing trader, we'd be caring about it yet. Doesn't mean it's a trash project. Doesn't mean it can't keep going. It just means it doesn't meet the criteria for what we want as the swing trader if we're going to be disciplined, okay, and abide by the rules. We got to move on then. Okay, we got to move on. Okay, next one. That's what it's all about, man. If it doesn't meet it, sorry. Yeah, this one's pretty freaking good. I mean, Knowles is pretty awesome here. Damn, man. A lot of freaking swing eyes. I mean, so Knowles is above this 55.8 cents area back from 2018, right? Anything above 2018 level can go straight up to 96 to $1, 96 cents to $1. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. I mean, I think, like, you know, one time it didn't happen, but look, I mean, straight up, straight down. This thing looks like it very well could be setting up for 96 cents to $1. Okay, you went on a full reset like so many others. Let me just show you here from your lowest low to the high. You could go here if you want, man. Forget the scam. Just think about it like this. Very, very 88% retrace, like all the others, man. Forget the crazy psycho wick. It's like the same picture, same chart as so many of them, countless others. And it bottomed out higher than it did before, and now has put in another low that's higher than previous low. Weekly, great. It's like a confirmation low. And so now more accumulations occurring, right? Ever since that low was put in, you're making higher lows, and now you're above an inflection point. And anything above 55 cents, I get it. The scam wicks are running rampant everywhere here. But eventually, if one's patient, this asset could very well go to 96 cents to $1.02, because historically, that is exactly what it's done before. When it holds above this level, it can go straight up. So that is, if you were in Knowles, that's the way to look at it. And I guess, like, if someone's trying to get in, I mean, you know, it's gonna be tough here, but you could still get a 3-to-1, be really a 4-to-1, 4.69 to 1 reward to risk, or just having a stop marginally below that area that we have identified from the past, above that area. You shoot for the fence, boom, that's it. It's a 4.69, no, what is it? 4.25, what happened? A 4.23 to 1 reward to risk this way.
$26.32. Is ZIM/USDT on Binance doing good? Much love. 0.10101100 LTC.
You know, someone tipped already requesting that, so good God. XCM's gonna take over Bitcoin chat. So just talking about reasonable entry, is it the most reasonable? The most reasonable is as close as you can get to 55.8 cents. You're at 62 cents. So if it sells off a little bit more, the closer you get, the better it is. Stop loss should probably remain near the same, but the upside is insane. It's really good. So that's how you have to look at it on NULS. All right. It's in a good spot, and it's a pretty good request based on what it's doing to its old levels. Momentum shifted. It's in a long-term uptrend. Everything's good. On this one, it could be setting up for higher prices. That's it. And what kind of higher prices? 30 plus, right? I mean, we're talking, I'm sorry, 55% upside? Oh my God.
Please, brother.
Oh, no, man. That's a much, man. That's a much. Yeah. But look at Adam. AB. Moving on. Next request. Next one was, it's Dash. Dash. Not gonna be much to talk about besides, hello, where have you been? If you weren't paying attention to Dash, man. There it is. Okay, it's down 1% today, but dude, look how good it looked before. But remember, we didn't even care about Dash in the 4 hour. All we did was care about Dash on the daily because it looked ungodly good. And now, this is it. All right, I think 280, first target, 4 to 100 after that. That's it. And I mean, the trade setup that is extremely active right now is well off its entry, and you're well off your lowest risk entry areas because of that. Because the whole point was to be long around as close as you could be to 176 to 181, right? Yes. It is such a simple chart. It's so beautiful. It was like such a no-brainer here, right? 197. Give me a break. Stop loss below 176, 169. Because, oh yeah, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Not really. It's just there. And low risk, high reward. And the upside's insane. 281, 400, 492. That's it. And you're on the way. You've just begun. It's just begun its ascent. That's your dash. Because you requested it, and what can I even do besides be like, it looked great, and you knew it looked great, right? Yeah. Okay, we have to move on. Dude, is that real Benjamin Cohen? Nah. I don't believe it. Even though he actually has a check mark, there's no way he can fake it being, hello, Benjamin Cohen, man. That's an honor, dude. Thanks for being here. Just saying, shout out. Can we get some hype in the, hold on.
Hype in the chat! Look here!
David T, what's up, dude? IDX, Bullish Garley, X Late June. All right, we'll look at it. We'll add it to the list. Thanks, man. Please remind me, though. Those are harder because they're not on my list. They're Streamlabs, not Stream Elements. Holy crap. So, yeah, Dash was good. Still good. Now we got to move on. Arabian Pleb wants Nemesis Connect. Okay, hold on. Dang, man. Cohen, dude. Is this your first time here in this community or in this stream? I've never seen you in here, man. That's big time. Oh, yeah, dude. God. Nemesis, man. I mean, maybe this is terrible and doesn't have enough data, but anything above 14 to 17 cents here is really good, man. You break 21.5 cents or 21.7 cents, you're going to 27.8 cents fast, man. First time here. First time caller, first time listener or something. Is that how it goes? Well, thanks for being here, Benjamin. I appreciate it, man. Anytime you want to come hang out on the stream, you're welcome, dude. Okay? Anytime. So, but look, what JG Wentworth, thank you for the $20 in EOS. We'll look at EOS on the put on the list. But yeah, dude, I mean, we have the inflection zone marked here. Extremely good bullish convergence, almost divergence, but it was a high or low. So Nemesis has some serious upside. 27, 32 cents. You break 32 cents, boom, 43 cents. I mean, this is not a bad one. There probably might be more data on other charts. I would assume so. Give me an exchange. If you request something, give me an exchange too. But like on this chart, it looks incredible. It looks like there's, but really, dude, really, Nemesis and Dash and Monero and Neo and IOTA, all these, Tron even, ONT, ETC, they all, Litecoin, they all had and have high upside based on the technicals. They've done full resets. They're in long-term uptrends. It's been freaking confirmed, dude.
Some more data on Binance.
We're on Binance, dude. Literally, this is Binance. Do you mean to the US dollar, not the tether, man? Okay. Jeez. Hold on. I mean, come on, man. Yeah. Okay, exactly. Feeds my point. Long-term uptrend, yes, right? How do you know it's a long-term uptrend? Because COVID crash lows. You were at 2.8 pennies, and then you made a higher low at 8.3 pennies in October of 2020. And then you did a full reset, and you actually went 100% of the way down. You lost 100% of your value. That's okay. But still, that was higher than the previous lows. Okay, and now if you don't even have to look at the daily, even though the daily is incredible in my opinion. You go to the weekly. This is it, chat. This is it. It's like everything else. Gosh dang these freaking trend lines. It's like everything else. Okay, You're making a confirmation low locally, and the confirmation low is higher than the previous low. What is that? That's accumulation. More market participants own the asset than they did before locally. That is a double bottom, potential double bottom. You know what the neckline is? To 24.3 cents. Once this breaks, it's gone, dude. It's going to go insane, most likely, right? Historically, it's done that. It has done a full reset in an uptrend. This is confirming the uptrend's real, all right? So, I mean, look, if you want some like a reasonable target that's equitable, you know, if you're talking about trading, okay, if one's entering now on the weekly, which is a position trade, that means one needs to be patient. They have to own this for 2 months probably. Okay, weekly trade, yep, like a lot of them. But if you hold and you're long and you're patient on Nemesis in time, I think it could very well easily go to 42 cents. If you ever broke 42 cents, holy crap, going back up to 71 cents, all the way up from March of this year. That's it. It's like, dude, GRT is the same situation. XLM, XRP, they all look similar. It's a very homogeneous market, and the homogeneous market is bullish as F. Life-changing opportunity. Remember, there are times to make money, and there are times to not lose money. And we're in the make your effing money while you can period, because this soon shall pass. It will not last forever. Assets will not be at 88% retraces from the previous discernible swing lows. They won't last. It won't stay here. They will go up insanely, and then they'll go crazier, and then they'll crash at really high levels when the milkman and the mailman are asking you about Shiba Inu or whatever the F coin is cool on TikTok at the time. God. All right, we have to move on. I spent far too much time on this. Okay, next request was Atom. Yes, Atom, that was good. It was okay. It was actually a good outperformer, right? Yes, this was an outperformer. It ran its course. For real, dude. But now it's, you know, it's really not as good as many other assets that exist out there. You know, I mean, this thing has been above its old all-time high for a while now. You know, anything above 26.54, 28.50 is good. It's okay. But it's range bound. It's stuck between 28.50 and 44.38, and it's at 35.62. What does that mean? It's really hard to strategize a long entry and a stop loss. If you're in between two major levels of inflection, it's never easy. It's coin flip stuff. If you broke this demand line even, I think you're just coin flipping right now for an entry. Like, you can't, what are you going to do? How are you going to set up a strategic stop loss here as a trader? You can't. It's got to be as close as possible to 28.50, 26.50, because look left. That's your reason. The closer you are to 44.38, the closer you are to the top of the range. So if you're in the dead middle, flip your effing coin. Tomorrow, you flip your coin, it lands on heads. Oh my God, Atom's at 44.38. Tomorrow, you flip your coin, it lands on tails. Oh my God, Atom's at 28.50. There's no edge on the oscillators, and you're in the middle of the range, not close to any sort of inflection point. It's unactionable for a swing trader, and that's okay. It doesn't make Atom suck. Atom, in actuality, is a really good performer, outperforming most assets in crypto, because it's backtesting old all-time highs as support for a while now. That's great. Long term, that's really good. But if you're talking about trading, it's tough. It's really not good to trade. You just ignore it because there's thousands of assets. You can look at, hit your effing space bar and move on, man. And it's okay. My next request was EO. What was that again, man? $4 billion of seed money from venture capitalists in 2017, and the biggest flop in the history of humankind. But at the same time, that's okay because it's EOS, and it is in an uptrend, very similar to FIL in ways. Yeah, it is kind of pathetic though, right? I mean, like, they got the guy from the Mighty Ducks to be their mascot. You know, it's look at it, dude. Look how far away it is from us all the time. I think $15 plus was not, this isn't even where all the data is, but this is all we need, okay? But great news, this asset looks primed for much higher levels, right? Higher lows, full reset. The full reset was an 88% retrace from the previous low. Accumulation. And accumulation is extremely apparent locally because you keep making higher lows. What's up, Jerome, dude? Yeah, man. Thanks for the 20. We'll look at it. Look at it, okay? Oh, there's more data. It was higher, man. Doesn't matter. Okay, we're good. What's up? Rodney, a CSDN? Oh, we're gonna have a lot of fixes. Thanks for the 100, bro. Thank you, dude.
Rodney assistant tipped $100.14. Can we look at ALTCOINS? Thanks for providing quality education. 0.02126000 ETH.
Didn't someone ask for that earlier? Maybe not. Thank you. Yeah, we'll look at it. Thank you, dude. Okay. Thanks for the 1,000 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that sub. We're just hanging out, man. We're looking at requests. We're always looking for opportunities for longs. It's not about Rudy Poo, whatever. It's just about cold robotic levels that make sense where variables all converge. They're all saying the same things at levels that make sense for high probability of reversal there. And that's all it is, kind of. That's all the stream is. It's business. It's, you know, unless we're drinking, we're spinning the wheel, right, or doing the chug game. So look, spring, back test of spring at 423. Nice. And after the spring back test, so brilliant. It's running to the next level, 550. I don't know beyond 550. I think if you break 550, you're going to 670, $7, 850, 940. I think eventually what this asset's going to do, like I think FIL, is it's going to do a full reset. It's going to go from a high to a low point. You'll see 1235 to 1354 in time, right? The X, the A, the B, the C. And we're just beginning the C to D wave that is huge, just like the X to A wave. So yeah, man, 1235, 1354. Eventually, it might take a month and a half, but that's eventually where this asset could be headed to, based on just everything we know about history, the way assets respond at levels like this. It's the same thing over and over and over again, man. I don't know. Just that's it. Okay. The next request. What? And that's all I can tell you. If one just holds EOS for 2 months, they're going to be up. It might. The thing is, though, it might go insane before 2 months, so you got to pay attention. But like within the next month and a half to 2 months, I think things are going to be good for EOS, like many other altcoins.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Next one was, yes, this one was looking pretty good before, right? I mean, yeah, dude, this one's stupid good. Like, give me a break, man. Like, DGB was awesome. I can't remember where all my data was on this, but yeah, we were bullish on this. We've been bullish on this, man. Yeah, this is why it's so effing good, man. DGB. Patrick Bradley. Willie Wong, the King of Atlanta. Thank you for the merchandise purchase. He says, Mitch, we need your face. Do you sure you need my face?
Spin.
I've already drank multiple beers today with friends, colleagues, if you will. Colleagues. I mean, I'll do it just because I know what's not going to land on that. I don't know if I should do this anymore. This is so stupid, dude. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, dude, I'm just going to do it one time and then devastated, obliterated, dilapidated, capitulated, emasculated almost, pretty much, dude. Jesus, dude. Like, what do you even do? Yeah, literally that, dude. Literally what you just said.
All I know is you never had the makings of a varsity athlete.
Yeah, I know, dude.
When I was young, he told my girl cousins I would never be a varsity athlete, and frankly, that was a tremendous blow to my self-esteem.
What do I do, Chad? Do I give up, or do I quit, or?
Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
Okay, dude. We have to beat defeat the Germans after they bombed Pearl Harbor, chat. Why? I already did chug, man. It's already done. I've already been devastated.
Hey Mitch, can we do suitor/USDT? And tell those ISP to stop apping up, they should use some scaling solutions from ATH.
We can put it on the list, man.
Spin.
For that spin. And yes, spin, smiley face, heart.
Who cares anymore? If it landed on chug there, it's certainly not landing on chug twice in a row or whatever. Nope, and no here too. We know, because when you get the bat out of the way on this thing, it's over for a while. All right, see, yeah, get wrecked, everybody. I only added one chug, and we'll do it. But I do want to, while I can, observe these assets in this state of mind while I can. Look, dude, DGB. You have to understand. DGB is probably one of the clearest arguments for upside. Okay, and I forgot about it kind of because people ask about it. I don't have it on my watch list. I don't really scan through it much. This one right here, if you're above 4.9 cents on DGB, you are long and you're not taking profit until about 13.5 cents. You understand me? You're in this asset and you don't care about it until it hits you a beep, an alert at a price of, 12.9 to 14 cents. That's it. There is nothing more to talk about on this asset. You own it now. One owns this asset now, and they take profit at 13 cents. Do you hear me? That's it. There's nothing. It's that easy. It's such a freaking layup, dude. Kobe Bryant laying you up. And Magic Johnson on the ground, and you can jump on his back so you can dunk it. Okay, that's DGB right here. Matthew D is here to back it up. Okay. American spin. Oh, it's Probes. Probes in the chat, man. Probes, do you see this? You see what they're doing to me?
I just felt like streaming.
But they just felt like spinning. Unbelievable. License and registration. CF. Yeah, that's it, dude. DGB is like a no-brainer. Like one would, if one wants yield, one could just, and takes a while. It takes a little while. Like, hey, man, I know I'm gonna have to wait maybe a month and a half. But dude, think about if someone told you, hey, excuse me, sir, if one waits 1 month and a half, if they just have a position allocated to a certain asset, would somebody that told you that, and they say, if you did that, your asset that you own could appreciate 130% in value, would you do it? That's when you have to answer the question. You'd be like, no, I don't think 130% is good enough. That's kind of trash, dude, for a month and a half, 2 months, over doubling my money. Okay, cool, dude. Well, that's what's going on with this asset. It's confirmed a bottom and an uptrend after a PCZ of a harmonic, and there's bullish convergence, and the positive momentum is about to occur again. So I just this is I don't even know why I don't own this. I'm stupid for not even having anything in this because it could do that. Hello? Daniel? 2 blues? Charge 15 a spin? If it lands on chug again right now, I will be 15 a spin, certainly. It didn't though, so you're safe. RVP? What is that? Like really valuable player? Not most valuable player, but really valuable player, Dean? Sure do. Giant Rabbit. Thank you for the merch perch, the legendary Gartley shirt. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. That's all I can tell you. Digibyte, man. You do it or you don't. Don't get left behind. That's it. Okay, moving on. We have to move on. Too many requests for ALTCOINS out there. Jeez. Let's do it, Jake, man. Let's do it. Let's get all the digibytes. Okay. Everyone relax. Ergo. Actually a request here. Ergonomics. It's actually literally a thing. I have no memory of this place. I'm Gandalf in the Mines of Moria here.
One more.
But dang, this looks incredible.
Spin.
Oh my god, momentum shifting. Oh god, this looks great. Probably broke a supply line. Dang, man. You got to give me a second, okay, on this. Let me... Oh, it's just the whole effing chart is an M. It's kind of a too perfect of M, though. So we won't use the M shape. We won't use our... From the low to high, though. How we doing, man? 786. Dude, all right, all right. Not too bad here. What I love is the structure that is momentum shifting in nature. From the low to the lowest low to now all of a sudden a higher low. Your first higher low since time immemorial. Hey, when have you really ever made a higher? Is this a higher low on an attempted rally for something's going on. As the former president would say, something's going on. And there is a supply line upon you. This stuff is happening at value perceived areas, though it could go to the 886. We love the 886. We know the 786 is also an area where value could be perceived. 78% sale on this S coin called Ergo. And this is appearing. So it's all about, can it break $11? Breaks $11, then you're looking at probably, first target $12.97. And then above that's probably $15.92. So what's there? I mean, someone could also perceive this not as an inverse head and shoulders, but as a descending broadening wedge that has certainly made a partial decline. I'm sure Eric Crown would probably say this is a descending broadening wedge, and he wouldn't be wrong. But because the descending broadening wedge at these deep value perceived areas, or a potential inverse head and shoulders that is slanted, they are both screaming the same narrative, which is reversal, not continuation downward. This is what is implied kind of here. That's all I can tell you about ERG. Is it actionable? It's kind of far off that right shoulder. It could go to the 886. There's no looking left ice line. I think there are probably better assets out there where it's easier to strategize, but this still looks pretty good. Still looks fine. Looks okay. All right, moving on. Too much time spent here on this S coin. Yeah. Oh, wheel spin. Yeah, we'll do the wheel spin, dude. Just hang tight, all right? Just try not to get too far behind. All right. Suter. Well, it's stuck between two levels of inflection, between 4.3 tenths of 1 penny and 9 tenths of 1 penny. You're at 7 tenths of 1 penny. So yes, I think it's great in the long term, probably for a break above 9 tenths of 1 cent and it goes to 1.5 cents. Yeah, but it hasn't done that yet. It's just consolidating below that. So strategizing an entry is a little bit more difficult. It's not a no-brainer. I love no-brainers when it's, I don't know, man. How do I think about this? Where do I have my stop loss that makes sense, that is strategic to ice lines and inflection points looking left? It's harder here, but doesn't mean it can't moon because it's made a low, it's making another low, and it's tested at a deflection point, it's just pulling back, and it's very mild, and it's tight consolidation, it's above the 200-day moving average. I mean, eventually I think if it goes and tests, all right, next time it tests 9 tenths of 1 cent again, probability is high it goes and moons, and it not dumps, but pumps to 1.5 cents. Look, why? Why 1.5 cents? Why is that your target? Straight up, straight down. 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 Straight up again. That's the target. Historically, that's all it does. So that's what it probably would do again. And if you're like, so you go the weekly on this. Ooh, weekly, huh? Full reset, same low. Now making a higher low. And if it breaks that, it's gone. You're trying to confirm a bottom down here. Trying to. And there's a lot of upside on it. Flip the freaking chart over, man. Think about if you were looking at this and it was bearish. Oh my God, dude. Ew. Distribution after topping out twice. Bears are getting really aggressive and they're selling. Oh wait, inverse of that. Yeah, dude, I would not like this asset if the chart looked like that. But fortunately for us, it's the other way around. So it looks good in time for SUTER. Nice. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone calm down. Hold on. Music stop. Hold on a sec. The moral of this story, chat, again. Being a market participant in crypto right now is extremely important for your bloodline, for your legacy, forever. Because these things, I mean, it's almost like it's not even about the traders. It's not the traders market right now. It's like it's the holders market because of where these assets are. They're so primed. If you give it a month and a half for upside, one can make great life-changing money if they're patient. It's also the traders market too, but position trader, less than the swing trader, where we can swing trade all day, but unfortunately the context, if you zoom out on the weekly and daily, is like you're going to miss out maybe, because it's implying that these assets are going to go far greater than just traditional targets for a 4-hour swing trade. I'm just saying, dude. So that's why you have to understand that, and that's why it's important to look at the weekly time scale, sometimes the monthly, definitely the daily. Gosh dang it, I can't believe I have a chug, man. Unbelievable. Bull Legends Crypto, thanks so much, dude, for the poster merchandise. Decorating a bit, thanks for all you do for the retail investors' adventure into trading. The bull market is very exciting, like you said earlier. Yeehaw, Kangs. Thank you, dude. Don't get cocky, alright? The best laid plans of mice and men often go awry, so that is why we must never have expectations about anything on the market, nor in life, right? Remember, somehow I drunkenly made this up as a saying, as a quotation. Hey, if I die, you better put it in my tombstone or write a book about it and be like, yeah, Ray said that. Expect nothing. Dang it, Egg, man, interrupting.
Paranormal activity outside the door behind
Paranormal activity outside, yeah, there it is. Expect nothing. You hear me? Expect nothing. Appreciate everything. That is an omen to live by, chat. Okay, anyway, moving on. Moving on. Where are we at? But Egg, thank you. Whatever. We'll look at that. Sure. Trying to get to this, man. Like, what do you want me to do? You want me to go chug now and keep doing the request? Or do you want me to just do the request and then chug? You tell me. I don't know. Yeah, IDEX. Let's go to it now. Because it was a merch. Oof. Ooh. It was below support. Hold on. Chug now, they say. Dude, don't be mean, man. Okay, wow. What a scrub. Bitcoin all-time highs. Stock market all-time highs. And look at this scrub, but stuck between 23 cents and 31 cents. Okay, so if I look at this asset, I understand why you might request it because, hey, it pumped. It rallied off a low. But the issue is, if I have thousands of assets to look at that are making undeniable, consecutive higher highs, higher lows, and it's methodical too. It's not like parabolic or insane or Rudy Poo. They're making them and they're very nice. But then I look at IDEX and I'm like, yeah, it's at a lower level of inflection, but it certainly hasn't made a higher high, higher low literally ever on this chart. So that's all I need to know to be like, space bar. Moving on. I don't care. I don't care if it goes up. It doesn't matter. Conditions automatically suck, for that asset. Because there are just countless other ones that are in way better chart climate, right? The higher highs, higher lows. Quiet. Over and over. I don't like one. It's a low. But that low is higher than this low. But this low is higher than this low. Consecutive higher lows. making inverse head and shoulder patterns, all these things, higher lows, they're Momo shifting in uptrends. IDEX, forget about it. Who cares? Move on. You have to. That's as far as I should. That should be the lesson. No IDEX for you. Not the suit Nazi, the TA Nazi. Oh my God. Bueller? Is any of this resonating with anybody? God. Okay, next one was... Dang, man. Dang. RVP. Really very persons. Is that what it was? Really very persons. Oh, yeah. An inflection point. We've been here. We have memory of this place. But my issue is an asset that went on an insane run, buying climax, has dumped, has rallied, made a substantially lower high than previous high, right? What does that mean? Substantially less market participants own this asset than they did at the buying climax. It's not a good thing. That's a lot of distribution. Okay, probably a composite operator who pushed this price up had a lot to do with the reason why, because that guy or person is not nearly as allocated to this position as he was before. So, yeah, I get it. Inflection point, hanging on by a thread. Maybe a harmonic here. Maybe, dude. Maybe. But Mother of God, if it doesn't hold, 914, it could lose almost 100% of its value here. So there is not really a reaction low yet. I mean, maybe dude, daily, certainly not. Ah, man, that thing was going insane. Yeah. It's all about the ifs, man. If 914 holds long enough, you start rallying, maybe you're in good shape. I don't think there's enough of an argument on the daily nor the 4-hour oscillators to take along here yet. There doesn't look like there's much exhaustion, even though there's really good harmonic stuff like M shape here. It could pivot here. It very well could. But I'd like to see it break above 953 and then back test 953 as support. That'd be nice. And then maybe divergence, convergence shows up. But it's all about the levels. And it's all about holding those levels. And really at those levels is all about exhaustion being implied on oscillators, and that's clearly not really there yet. I hope it does hold here, and it very well could. I just think more data needs to be presented. I think RVP should certainly be put on the watch list. Just kidding, never mind. It's 103,000 volume. You want 1 million volume. 103,000 is 1/10 of what we would want or need, okay? So I take all that back. Too low a volume to even really maybe want to take action on as a swing trader. But if you're talking about education, this level needs to hold. Okay. Bruh, I don't... Look, man. You see up here, I got chugs and stuff, man. People abide by the rules. You got to abide by the rules if you want that, okay? Thank you, man. Don't be mean. Okay? Next request was... And we're going to get this chug. Don't worry. People on the balls of their feet, the edge of their seat. But first, we must look at this asset. That is really just... I mean, dude... It has run so much, and even had a up here at these crazy levels, had this pattern. It actually, dude, from when this was identified on stream, it went up like 22%, but doesn't matter. It's pulling back. Hopefully, it just makes a higher low than previous low and could run again. But there's nothing here. I mean, again, dude, there was this really nice because it's back test. The consolidation structure was back testing the old high support. Look at a rally to. Now it's just, yeah, you're above the 200 moving average, but man, it has just been going. You're testing your luck. The higher it goes, like, right? The bullish book. In the bullish book, there are going to be bullish chapters. Here's a chapter. Here's a bullish chapter. Here might have been a bullish chapter. I don't know. Eventually, the whole book will end. It will end the chapter 2. Okay, Jon Snow getting wrecked. But maybe eventually Jon Snow's born again. We don't know. But, right, that's allocation of capital for a trade, maybe here, maybe even locally here recently. But I don't know, man. Like, I mean, there's no edge right now. It's... Just think about it. This asset is up since the July 21st low. I mean, it went up. It appreciated in value. My God, 2,200% in 100 days, man. is just really tough on this. All you can do is swing trade locally on those because there's not going to be, I mean, there's better yield opportunity on many other assets. I'll just tell you that. Okay. We did it, man. We got through all the requests. Let's go to FIO real quick and then I'll chug. All right? I swear. Oh my God. FIO's up 3%. Pathetic. Pathetic attempt by the Bulls chat. I don't even give a crap about this asset. I mean, I own a substantial amount of it. I don't give a crap about it till it gets 74 bucks. Then I'll feel like maybe it's real. It's pretty illiquid, man. It's pretty low volume. You know, you spend a little time with it on your screen. You know, you got all these other charts up. It's like someone, whatever. But it's not about that. It's about the structure and the context. FIL, man, like that. It's already up like what since we've been talking about it. I don't know, like dude, the Gartley PCZ, it's up 23%, man. I don't know.
/USDT, please. Frog, honeybee.
Oh yeah, Chris. Sorry, did you request Campbell's chunky soup, dude? No, I didn't. I don't even know how I forget. How did I miss these, dude? Jesus, I have requests coming out of my ears. I need my mana. Mana, right? Bullish, almost. Hey, I like this combo. You have to go to the 60 minute for it. Go to the 60 minute though. It's a good combo. It's like where you break a wedge and then you make the Gartley, right? Or the bat. It was a Bartley-Gartley. Too shallow on B, too shallow on D. So it's just like, yep, you have the Bond. The name's Bond. James Bond. Nice, dude. Okay, mooning. Well, the second target of the trade setup was 43 or 95-ish. I'm just gonna alert there. Let's get this over with. Okay. It's doing things, man. It's up 10.5% on the new day. The new day, it's been around for what? Well, like an hour, 20 minutes or something. Pump that S. So I don't know, man. Like Mana, like Metaverse. Let's think about it. It's created a new local range. I kind of dig it, man. Look at the 60 minute. Hear me out here, okay? The new range, Jeffrey, was established here on Halloween, in November 1st. And then you fell below it, and then you've rallied, and now you're trying to spring back test. You're trying to back test it as well. So it's like, if this is really going to continue, which I don't know, and it's really not the lowest risk, right? But that is what can happen. You have huge markups, and then you go through these phases of consolidation where a range is created. And so this is the 60 minutes, so it's not the best. But if this held, if 256 held long enough, Jeffrey, the target's 343. All right? Where eventually this asset would head back up to the top of the range. With the harmonic, the consolidation structure, the breakout, and then the M shape. And the M shape back tests the previous levels of support, and then it eventually runs to those next levels. So 60 minute, not that significant. You want to see this on the 4 hour or daily, way more than the 60 minutes. So just pointing it out, that's all I got for you, dude, okay? It mooned already. Zuckerberg pumped this crap, all right? Go check out, if you haven't yet, go check out the Mitrade TA Shrine in Decentraland. Could somebody post the coordinates to that? Because it's out there, man. All the NFT art. We need to get the new NFT owners to talk to, don't watch the suit, so we could put those new ones, the new NFTs in there. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's like really cool, actually. Okay. Was there another one? What was the word? Did you look at this? Because you missed it too. Good God. Oh my God.
Ray Sensei, can you look at SRM?
Ricardo Batiste. Yes, we will look at SRM. Heritage Driven, let's go! Look at that, the 1.618 contribution. My man. Thank you, dude.
Driven tipped $161.80. Just a $161.80 pat on the back. Man, you changed my life trajectory 2 years ago.
Hype in the chat!
Hype in the chat. We're changing lives, dude. For being a positive influence, right? Just trying to help people, man. Dude, when you learn stuff, right? When you learn stuff, it's your responsibility to teach others. Like, I didn't know it was going to turn into this. I thought it was like, hey, man, I'm just going to hang out and talk to other people that like trading. And then it's like, nah, you should maybe stream it, dude. I don't know anything about streaming. Well, we'll teach you how to stream, but we're going to try to take advantage of you. But then I broke away, and then everything worked out, right? It's pretty cool. It's crazy. Like, the only reason I'm in streaming is because people were trying to prey on my ability. And once you break away from it, everything's good. It's crazy, man. So we got to thank the people that tried to hurt me and prey on me. And they did, you know, they screwed me out of $20,000 at the beginning. That, wow, dude, 20K at the beginning was, well, that's a lot of money. And now it's like, oh no. Okay, CPB. Campbell's Soup Company. They got wrecked. Bruh, like, y'all keep requesting where I can't chug. You get that, right? I mean, I'm trying to chug, but I can't because they keep coming in. And I keep getting stressed where I'm like, I gotta do this, man. That's a high. I don't know, man. If anything, I would wait. Like, I would be messing with this probably. I mean, maybe it rallies here, but like something like this, don't you want to wait for the worst case scenario on the asset, which is gonna be like a Gartley, where you wait till like 786 and maybe even 886, dude. Like, one would wait till 3760 or something, right? Oh, I missed Lena too. Yeah, probably, dude. Dude, it's so hard to like keep up. So I don't know, getting close to a Gartley, and it could be in really good context, right? Because low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So you give me a Gartley, that might be it, man. Campbell Soup to the moon. But maybe we set up an alert and we wait for 3765-ish area, you know? Maybe. Probably might be the most prudent thing to ever do would be to do that. All right. And then you might have yourself a great opportunity. Oh, my God. Oh, I love it, dude. I love it. Because where would this all be occurring? Load high. Dang, 78% retrace from the previous low. That's solid, man. Yeah, Campbell's starting to look pretty interesting again. I have it on my watch list, but I'm going to start monitoring this one now. Nice one, dude. Campbell's Soup. Okay, like, people that keep requesting now. I mean, dude, I've been live hour and a half, and it's like, and I've been doing nothing but requests now. It's like, let me go get this. It's not going to be beer because I had friends over, and we all ravaged through the remaining cold beers. So it's going to be like, I don't know, whiskey or something. Yeah, the good news is it's Tuesday, and Tuesday could be Saturday to me if I want, or Wednesday, or Friday, or Monday. No days don't matter anymore. Like, it's nice, but you know. Anyway, let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing what, man? Hey, remember that ABCD? Well, it's on its way, right? I mean, 87.8 to 88K eventually. Here it is. I mean, what do you want, dude? It's like, look how it's struggling. Like 4.8 going on what? 10 hours now of just testing what was once an all-time high as resistance. What are you doing? Stop it, Bitcoin. Stop playing games with our heart. Cue up the NSYNC Backstreet Boys song, all right? While I'm gone.
Gentlemen in the mix.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me check my notes. Let me just go get this alcoholic beverage to ingest so it satiates the needs of those who want the party to continue.
I request you spin. Then go get your chug. And don't do another request until this is done.
I agree. I'm not. Like, it's so unfair. It's like, oh, dude, I need to do this. And then all these requests keep coming in. And I'm like, get wrecked, though, Batson. You just go ahead and drink, all right? Arrogant wheel has to come out. But yeah, I agree. I won't do more requests till the chug's done. Confirmed. Thank you, brother man. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Stick around for a second. More analyses ahead of us. We had Benjamin Cohen in the chat, who was hanging out with us for a little bit. Aren't I? Probably moved on to greener pasture, but it was cool, man. It was cool. He's never been here before. He was a first-time viewer, first-time listener, or whatever. You never know, man. Streaming's like a box of chocolates.
I just felt like screaming.
You never know what you're gonna get. I'll be right back, Kings.
Alright. And right now, you know, we're just still standing strong. And the ball keeps rolling. We just keep on holding on to the feeling that got us here. And what we just gotta do is just be willing and able to carry on helping older people out there around the world. All the human creativeness, the positive creative nature of human beings. Right. Through the use of beats, sounds, you know, yeah, we're the DJs.
Does anyone get that? When you click on the alert, it doesn't take you to the alert. It literally just disappears. What are you doing, TradingView? What is that? Oh, this is pathetic, dude. I'm still unimpressed. Give me a break, man. Call me when it goes to 74 bucks. What a joke, dude. FIL. Get out of here, dude. Hold on, dude. We're gonna do this though, man. Okay. Yeah, it is not good, dude. Like, what are they doing? And before they have some excuse, it's like designed to be that way. It's like, it's ergonomic, man. Super ergonomic, man. Ooh, that sounds good. It's an update that went wrong, man.
There's a Nasdaq 0.786 higher highs and lows with some divergence.
Baidu?
Cancel a chug for you.
Cancel the chug for me? I think you have to tip like... To literally cancel a chug, what should the number be on a tip amount, right? It needs to be high, because that's like really unfair to somebody who tipped at a 5% chance of something playing out and it played out. Right? That's tough. Thank you though. 5150 connect. 7 billion? Yeah, that's probably a little too high. 7 billion? Yeah. You can't cancel a chug. It's not fair, says somebody. This is not a FIL pump stream. This is a pathetic, trash, meh FIL stream. Okay? Give me a break. Not sold. I don't care if I'm up a lot. It's pathetic compared to what it could have been or what it could be in time based on the technicals zoomed out. Like this is like, oh, 134 easy in time. This is it, man. This is where I'm stacking capital at low risk areas because there's a sale, but the sale is getting over. Like one does not simply just reset after making a substantially higher low than the previous lows and then creates all the Gartleys. It's the harmonics, the shark into the Gartley confirmation low. Give me a break. And on the confirmation low Gartley, there's another confirmation low. It's literally Gartley confirmationception. Back testing springs. Inflection points. It's unreal, dude. Like, whatever. I don't care. Like, no one's touching my ICP. No one's touching my FIL, dude. No one's taking it from me. Okay, anyway. Okay, your 5 ounces of Le Carrier. I don't even know what that is. It's something. It's done, dude. That's 5 ounces. Your chug shall be obliged, whatever. Julia, what's the contribution? Someone tipped 1618.080 and it didn't do the emoji ball? Confused. Really weird. No one taking my ICP IFL. Nobody. Even though they want it, you don't know it, but they do. The composite operator certainly wants you to sell down here. That's why it takes a sweet time, quietly. Everything's mooning, right? FIL's just hanging out. And it's like, we've seen this game too many times. You can't fool us. You fooled me once. You fooled me once. You can't fool me again. Whatever George W. Bush said. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, chugging red wine. What could go wrong? Literally nothing. I'll mute my mic so I don't hear weird noises. Bull season, dude. It's bull season. Higher probability of chugs, wheel spins, celebratory songs, everything. Yeah. So pathetic, dude. Like, who gives a crap about FIL right now? Oh my god, it's $69. Yeah, let's queue it. But pathetic until much higher prices. Not even, it's like a wine that, oh, great wine company, but it's been like no time aging. Man.
Has balance a bottom? Dollar bell, I'm super drunk. Smiley face.
I'm about to be super drunk too, I guess. Rahabel or Rajabal. There's that. Crap, dude, I don't even have any food here. This is so bad. I'm so off sync now, man. I go out, I get a late lunch, and then I'm doing all these things with contractors and window people and table people and then colleagues' friends. It's like you're effed. Should I just get sushi or something, dude? View alert, chat. What should I spam? What I should get to eat? You know, like genre. Well, yeah, like what should I Uber Eats? Not. There's no question about. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the store and get it. Nah, dude. Mexican, Tindies, Indian, Spam, Thai, Sushi, Greens, Texas Day, Brazil, Eric. I'm getting. I had their best food, and it's okay, dude. It's super meh. It's really like okay. You get tired of it, man. Texas Day, Brazil. I've had it multiple times, man. Shawarma would be great, man. Tacos. What is it? Taco Tuesday? Oh, dude. Why do I not do Taco Tuesday? JR? Yep. Taco is kind of a good idea. All right. Let me try to get to these requests while the food requests got bad. In you.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Taco Tuesday, huh? Ugh. God. Well, I mean, you know, it's like this thing. I just, you know, I look at it and I'm like, what's the point? Who cares? It pumped, it's dumped, it's back at a level. But I cannot really say wholeheartedly there's any like certain edge here. If it holds, dude, it's above, it's below that high from February 22nd. So it's just like, it could very well hold here and rally. Like, look, I guess you could have like, this is the zone between 86 cents and 96 cents. The two highs, right? You're there. Maybe you're diverging. It could pump here, or if it breaks, it's screwed. It's going to much lower levels. But if it holds, again, this is exactly where it could rally and head up to $1.40 again. Okay. So normally, when you apply the formula that's taught here, this is not really the area where we care that much. We were certainly monitoring this asset at these levels. Where why does this alert keep going off? What is Bond doing, chat? Oh, look here, listen.
Look here. Look, listen.
Well, chat. As you can see, what has just happened, okay? What has just happened is, well, you see what happened was November 4th, the trade setup was posted with an entry at very good low risk, high reward opportunity areas. One target was hit. Just kidding. As of now, a second target was hit. Can we get some Jesus chimes for Bond respecting the living F out of TA? Let's go, dude.
Hype in the chat.
Feels good, dude. It always feels good, right? When you apply traditional technical analysis in an untraditional market, but it's right at perfect levels, great level of inflection, low risk, so easy. If you get stopped out, which we knew could happen, no one ever, okay, here is saying they know where an asset's going. But if you know where momentum is, low, higher, low again, above inflection point, back testing and out of support. Okay, we know momentum's bullish. We're gonna look at Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's momentum's bullish. Okay, making higher lows. So it's not like we're saying we know it's gonna keep going higher. But dang, man, it was easy to size up a stop loss and an entry, and that's all it's ever been about. You go somewhere else and they talk about predictions and certainties. They're not helping you, man. They're not doing the right thing. They're not giving you the right information. This is the real way you should look at things. You don't know where an asset's going. But that doesn't mean you can't make money. Okay? Based on many other things that are taught here. Okay? So, whatever. Don't get arrogant or cocky because a successful trade happened. Okay? You can't. Because this easily could have failed. And it could have dumped to $19 again. But guess what? Trend too bullish. The macro too good. So time to make money, not lose money. Whew. So what were we thinking? Sushi? Was that the consensus here for foods? You know what I'm saying, man? What? Did the government shut down the power chats? Dude, I don't even know who is scamming. Like these comments, I can't tell if people are scamming or not. Oh my god, dude. Never mind. Anyway, that's funny though. That's funny what people are doing. All right, gold bond. If you break 43.95, your target's 48.82. If you wanted a third target, I'm telling you right now, market participants, that's it up there. 48.82. And then above that, God, I mean, we have to do some Fibonacci. We'll talk about it if it gets there, okay? That's it. Moving on to SREM. Oh, wait. So, no, not sushi. It was tacos. Tacos. Okay. I think I can do that. Actually, and there's a place that have good... Okay. Yeah, SRM, dude. Okay, chat. SRM has jumped across a creek. Now, it's kind of like not doing too well locally. Edge isn't very good on the 4-hour, but this asset could have jumped across a creek. Dude, the closer you get to $7, the more I like it. Now, if it ever got to 673, then you're talking about an entire harmonic structure where it's like, oh my, no, it may be. Oh my God, please. If this asset got to $7, it could be an NFT worthy long opportunity. Please, market participant, if you are the composite operator for SRM, please sell this asset to $7 because it gets there, the entire world will be buying it. So if it gets there, that's I mean, like right now, really hard to strategize an entry, right? You're too far off. There's looking left, it doesn't make any sense. The probability is high it'll see $7 again because there's no support looking left. If it randomly rallies here, congratulations on your coin flip. But I'm just telling you, if it got to a point of $7, a Gartley, ignore the Gartley, be left behind. That is a freaking thing now. 1-inch coin, sure dude, 84 years. 84 years, man, sure. Wow, what a joke, man. I chug this wine and everyone's like, ooh, I'm scared now. Get wrecked, literally everyone in this chat, okay? And then you can tweet about it and be like, hey, I can't believe this guy tells his viewers to get wrecked, man. Cancel him! Alright, dude, $7 would be ungodly. It would be a spring, a back test of spring. It would be a Gartley pattern completion zone. It could be the dream. I'm literally setting alert up because if I hear a beep, I might lose my mind and I'll run outside of my patio and scream at the top of my lungs, SRM! Okay, we gotta move on. Oh, a spin still? Sorry, I got you. Baidu? Oh, Chinese S-coin. Oh, just kidding. It's a stock. Oh, wait, just kidding. Anything that's Chinese, that's an equity, is an S-coin. Dude, you just don't understand. It's You know, thing about Baidu, man, a little off right there. Dude, anything below 166, 173 is trash. It's a scrub, dude. But what, are you saying there's a Gartley or something? I don't know. Is it even deep enough? I mean, low to high? Dang, it is a 786. A little deep right there, right? Oh, penthouse tour. Oh, don't worry, Egg. So my table came in, but now I'm waiting on the glass. It's a $5,000 custom made bar size table, bar height table, and then it's a custom made glass part of the table too. It's all metal, contemporary. It was not easy. Okay, getting this thing going. So like I'm still waiting on that, and now I've got things going. What I'm thinking about doing the main tour is when I get all my, like, I'm paying people to get Christmas decorations. Dude, I'm spending like thousands on Christmas decorations. I think I'm gonna have a Christmas party here and all these things, right? But is this why you asked? You're like, oh, too shallow. Not a real harmonic, but I get it. 70% retrace. I'm a little freaked out until it gets above 173. If it gets above 173, I might like it again. It's Chinese stuff, man. It's communist Chinese. Look, there's your supply line. You're not above the supply line yet. I guess you could say, hey, man, it's just a downsloping channel and you're not above any level of inflection or supply line that makes any sense. So there's certainly no breakout on this asset right now. But you're asking because you're like, hey, is that a 3 rising valleys? Certainly could be. Certainly could be, but it's definitely, undeniably in the middle of a correction. Right? Don't we want to see 3 rising valley potential structures in undeniable long-term uptrends? This is not a correction. This is consolidation, right? Look at this. Lows, higher lows, higher lows. Oh, look. On the tail end of more higher lows, the pattern presents itself. Moon, and then, whatever. Now, look at Micron. Micron broke the F out, dude. Let's go. Serious stuff. Happening on anything above $75 is insane on Micron. But the context is really important, and the context is communist Chinese loser stock in major correction. So it's like I have to ask that question, right? 5150. Who cares if it's showing that potential structure when I have thousands of assets to look at, and they're not communist Chinese controlled, and they're making consecutive higher highs, higher lows, and I don't have to worry about anything, right? Because there's no questions about too many assets, right? But Baidu, I have to ask all these questions, right? Can I sleep with myself for even putting money in some loser communist Chinese stock trash that's in a correction that may not even be done, that has not really made a higher high this whole correction? Nah. So if you ask these questions, move on. Just move on. F it, dude. Just keep going. Hit that space bar, bro. You get it, But it's great. I mean, this is educational, right? It really helps us all think together. Never settle, chat. Never settle on an asset or on a girl or on anything in life if you can't help it. Don't settle. Who cares where it comes from? This is supposed to be about charts. It is about charts. And I just literally gave an argument why it's not a very good chart right now. It's in a correction and is not making consecutive higher highs, higher lows locally. Not even close. But then you add in the fact that it's an individual communist Chinese asset. That's just not good. The technicals aren't good, and it's communist Chinese. Imagine empathizing or sympathizing with communism. Give me a break, dude. Get out of here. Go to the communists. There are plenty of them on their little firewall, the Great Wall of Communist Chinese firewall. Go ahead. They're out there. They'll praise the Chinese government. Whatever, committing genocide over there. Don't worry about it. Okay, yeah. Give me a break, dude. Like, it's such a joke. Okay, so was there another request? Yes, there was, and it was this. I'm out of here. I can't believe this guy would condemn communism, man. Yeah, I don't want communists in here. Go ahead and have your equality of outcome versus equality of opportunity. I love equality of opportunity. That is a certainty that should exist. But equality of outcome? Get out of here, man. That's communism. No one wants that. Except authoritarians and whatever. Okay, so here's BAL. Beautiful, beautiful recovery after an M-shaped formation, but now back at an inflection point. The main inflection point. You break 26.43, you hold it long enough, you're going to 34.73 to 38.30. Yep, the next levels. But if you don't, you could very well go back down at $18 again. Okay, so this is well off an entry from a harmonic. And a harmonic was at an inflection point around $18, the pattern completion zone of the structure, and now you're well off of it. So it's hard to strategize when you're so close and you're not even really holding this level yet. It seems very close, but dang, man, 200-day moving average, you're right around it. I don't think you can long it yet at these levels. Maybe though, if it breaks it for real and then back tests it successfully and we start catching some price action and some bids off of it, okay.
Submit DNT/USDC.
Dude, I can't believe this about charts, man. Talking about communism here. It's like, yeah, charts that are communist you don't want to own them, okay? Give me a break. Yeah, we'll look at that. Whatever you just said. Seriously, someone like unironically was in here being like, this is about charts, not politics. It's not political. Like, it doesn't matter if you're a Democrat, a real Democrat, not a psycho, like radical person that does want communism. If you're a Democrat or Republican, we certainly understand that democracy is different than communism. Communism is very bad. Genocide occurs in communism. Undoubtedly, it's like a mega side effect that exists from it. People die in communist dictatorships. Yes, it's mafioso. That's all it is. People die and you can't say anything about it. Get out of here. I don't want to hear any sympathy from that crap. Just ban them. You sympathize with communists, you're banned, dude. Ironically, right? You're too dumb to be here if you think you know what communism's good or should be sympathized with. Nothing good about it. Get out of here. Okay. That's your ball. BAL. Next one was this. Still kind of just stuck, man, right? Dang, super stuck. I don't even know if I can have conviction on this anymore, right? You're ironically banned. Dude, no one's gonna be like, I just don't want anyone who's like empathizing with communism doesn't have a place to speak here in this community. That's all I mean, right? I mean, duh, if you can't get that, maybe you're just too low IQ or you're too indoctrinated or Marxism, they got you, dude. They got you. So you can go to your college campus and you can spew all your trash all you want. But right here in this little chasm, microchasm, you can't. Okay? Anyway, so 1 inch coin above critical levels. Anything above $3.92, $4 is pretty good. But I'm just kind of like having trouble here with conviction on, is this an inverse head and shoulders it's developing? It's trying to hold above 440. It's so far away from $4.392 that it's hard to strategize.
Sir Ray, I'm sorry to say, I have Bitcoin to sell tonight for Tesla, so hold on to yo titties. 0.012368000.
Oh my god, it's Elon Doge Musk coin lord. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Yeah, dude. Sure. Oh my god. I just like I can't even believe it that someone even said that. Like I would never even say these words, dude, but there was just some lady or had a feminine name that was implying that one was a lady. That was like, thought this was a TA stream. It was all about the charts. It is about the charts. And when I literally gave a technical analysis argument on still why it wasn't that great of an argument, but then brought in the other part, okay? Like, this is not an Easterner stream. This is a Westerner stream. Get over it. This is a capitalist stream, okay? Australia, England. I mean, Australia, it's getting rough, dude. Better pray over there. But, you know, anywhere in the West, man. EU, UK, whatever. Canada, America, Mexico. Whatever, man. It's about, we care about individual freedoms here. We're not about collectivism. We're about individualism, okay? Sovereignty. We don't care about the state and the collective. We're about ourselves. So get over it. We're traitors. So you just don't have a place here. You go to the East and let them do their thing for you, okay? So whatever, get over it. Okay, so 1 inch coin's kind of just like, looks like it's sideways. It's not dead. I just don't know, man. It's in a long-term uptrend for sure. It could probably continue rallying, man, right? Go to 633 again, but just as easy, it could come down to $4, and it wouldn't even be that weird, all right? You gotta move on. It's not even, it's like they're better assets to look at.
This stream is whatever we want it to be. Cream stream.
Cream stream. Never. Sorry, you can't get hacked. Stakes are too high in crypto now to... Imagine getting hacked or exploited now. Pathetic, dude. No. Hey, ETC hadn't gotten 51% attacked in a long time, over a year. And you got Cream over here getting exploited when we're about to break out, man. Nah, get wrecked. Thank you. I can't believe you're such a capitalist. You're so for freedom, individual freedom. I'm never talking to you again. Cancel this guy. Yeah, I'm the psh guy. Ooh, I like this. I still like it anyway. Look, dude, DNT, it's not a drug. This is just a chart on Binance.
Hey, Mitch, mind getting to my request. Must have slipped at your list SKL.
It definitely slipped, dude. I've looked at 1,000 assets today. So, I mean, oh yeah. I think on the last stream or 2 streams ago, it was like 70 assets. Someone did a timestamp, whatever of all of them. I'm like, oh my God, that's like a ridiculous amount of charts. So, yeah, we'll get back to, I'm sorry, man. I'm trying to like not, whatever. So anyway, DNT bottomed out. It bit mega M shape and now making a higher low again. All right, great news. So then locally, low, about the same low, all of a sudden higher lows. Momentum looks good. Consecutive higher lows.
What's up, Mitch? Loved that marathon stream the other day. Can we look at EQZ on the daily and 12 hours?
Hunter, thank you if you want.
Coopster tip $21.11. ICX Plaza Air.
All these requests, but no spin requests. I'm not even that drunk. He's not that drunk. He's not that drunk. What's up, Vincent Did?
Super chatted $80.26.
He's from Canada.
For this pretty day.
You spin for this pretty day? It was oh my God, dude, it was so pretty here. I mean, it was like, we're talking no clouds, 74 degrees, and spinner drinks for Vincent. Vincent, I'm sorry, you have to drink now, dude. I'm sorry. I thought it was going to be a good day. I thought it was going to land on Chug, but it landed on you. Drink. I'm sorry. Very grateful. Yes, and yes to these words. I'm tipsy. Yeah. Yeah, really. Nikki Cupcakes, exactly. Hey, capitalism, she typed from Twitter, from her iPhone keypad, her pumpkin spice Starbucks permeating the air. Yeah, the latte. Pathetic, dude. Down with the system. Down with the system, man. All right, love the accumulation for now. I mean, like, it just keeps up. Eventually, it's just going to scam wick back up to 22 cents. And maybe one of these scam wick days, because it's so illiquid, I guess, it goes to substantially higher levels where we're talking like eventually 38 cents, 42 cents. I would say this is probably one of those. It's not the best. I've seen better assets literally right now that I'd have my money in than this. But this could eventually see 38, 42 cents again. So whatever. Sure. Great. Meh. People stop trying to find the next whatever coin. Stop trying to find the next GRT. Okay. Yeah, dude. I don't even know. I'm crazy here, huh? I'm not even checking anymore. I'm just kind of like, all right, I guess I missed this. Well, you know, here's a thing, man. It kind of existed. SKL looks fine. It's like, you know, consolidating.
A spin for America. Red, white, and your fave blue.
I do love the red, white, and blue. Those are my favorite colors. Preferably, though, I do love crimson as my favorites. A little biased there. But yellow spin, get it over with, man. Get wrecked, dude. So no chug, you know. Look at this. Oh, opened a bottle of wine to chug one glass and then it's over. Thank you. Waste of bottle. So look, man, just if like 34.7 cents to 40 cents is a major zone. Like I mean, I could just plot it. I could just do like, okay, what are you talking about, Ray? Well, you look left. It's just kind of like this zone here. And you're in the middle of it. If it can sustain and hold these levels, I think it's going to 64 cents, which is insane. I mean, that's like much higher levels. Yeah, that's it. If this holds here and it continues to make these higher lows, 40 cents, it goes to 64 cents. What does that mean? This asset from where it is around these levels, it can appreciate in value 78 to 80% from where it is now. So it's not perfect or anything. It's not like at the PCZ of a harmonic, but the momentum's good. It's making higher lows from previous lows before it. And I think if it sustains above 34.7 cents, it's going to 64 cents in time. All right, that's it. That's it, dude. Bro. Anyway, no, I've never said that. I never said I was in the military once in my entire life. I love them. I love military, former military, all that. But who would even say that? Like you did this. Like who said that? No one said that. Okay. Equalizer. It was really good, and now it's kind of like tough, man. I mean, I love the trend it's in. It's beautiful. There was a time and a place to really be paying attention to this asset. 25 to 31.8 cents. It's at 57.89 cents now. I mean, sure, it certainly could continue its uptrend, and it's beautiful. Just as easily as right here, you flip a coin, it sells off and goes down to 31 cents again. It was a beautiful bullish shark, alternate bat, whatever. And it's been in a great uptrend since early October, and it could find its way to 75 cents again. But for right now, if you're talking about lowest risk ever entries, it's just tougher. Yes, there is a scam wick right here that it is slightly above, right there.
Aloha Lord Ray, been a while. STMX might have the makings of the winner with higher highs, decent value areas and harmonic structure. Keep those communists at bay, one India at a time.
Thank you, Sky Cubby. Thank you for the 20. Yeah, man. Well, look at it. Been live 2 hours, 5 minutes. Enjoy the live stream. Live, blah, blah, so that's about it. Bye. No, you're good, dude. It's all good. It's all good. No, I have many former Marine friends who were ready. You know, things go wrong, we're ready to roll, dude. And they got my back. I got theirs. We good, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, great down here on EQZ eventually. I mean, dang, dude. This thing, like, it could take a while. This thing will be stuck in a range forever. But, like, it breaks 84 cents. It's gone, dude. It's going up to freaking crazy levels, 120 and beyond. All right. Yeah, it's in an uptrend, though, for now. I just... Come on, man. You know the formula. There's a formula that you abide by, that you look for the same variables every single time. It's not showing them exactly right here. Still looks good. Still, I think maybe above 56 cents. It could go big time. It goes 75, 84 cents. That's a lot of upside. A lot of upside, man. Okay. We move on, Ed. We go to the next one, Ed. And they keep going.
Joined Patreon last week. A year delayed but made my money back already. If you're considering joining Patreon, do it. Excited to start learning all governments all in the same blocks. Vanguard Club that you can't miss. Rents thanks from UK.
Thank you, meh, for the 20. You hear that, chat? It hasn't been a kind year, but hey, at least he made it all back, man. And that's, if I could help, we could help in Patreon doing that. Hey, that's all world. That's good stuff, dude. Cause for celebration. No, I hear Gunnersville is insane for fishing. I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone that fishes that's like, oh yeah, go out to Gunnersville, man. I'll take you. It's crappie fishing up there, though. They fish for crappies, I think, a lot up there. Okay. 700 likes. You kidding me, dude? Thank y'all. Appreciate that. ICX. Pretty simple chart. Not like I had it. Oh my god, the music set stopped, of course. Viewer counts getting decimated. Oh my god. This is what happens in long extended streams. Holy crap. Bueller. Okay. Yeah, that was next.
Noise!
Matt Curran tip $21.21. ETP/US moon soon.
ETP, find out what it means to me. I don't know, dude. I don't know. We'll add it to the list, Matt. Thanks for 2121 repeat, of course. Thank you, Dad. Long-term motor, man.
Just did some scanning. PLA/USD incredible. Gartley reacting at the PCZ.
Oh yeah? Are you serious, man? Well, we'll take a look, dude. Okay. I'll take a look. Take it. So ICX kind of well off areas that make sense. Remember that time there was an entry of a trade setup at $1, and you've doubled your money and you're just hanging out. And I believe anything above 192 is good. Making a hidden bullish divergence is very real. Oh, finally something, dude. So, yep. Sellers are a little exhausted on a higher low. Nice. I don't know, man. I just like they were way better. Like, hey, dude, perfect opportunity. Spring back test of spray. There's even a harmonic, a little Gartley here. And now you're at higher levels. I mean, maybe this is implying maybe it's time to run to 241, 290 now. But at the same time, I get a little worried. I'm like, is this a double top? It's kind of tough. I don't know, man. It's like, the deeper we get in this, the harder it is, because like these things keep running up and there were just better areas. Like, a couple weeks ago, a few weeks ago, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, right? It keeps getting tougher and tougher. But yeah, besides it, there is hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Let's see what happens, okay? Nice. I mean, I think this thing eventually is gonna hit these, you know, your targets eventually are $3. Top of the harmonic. You can pull the trade setup. Those are around the targets, top targets anyway. You've hit one target, easy. Double your money, over. Do I owe spins at all? Do I owe a spin, chat? Healer? That's right, widespread panic. Yes. Guaranteed chug price. We already have one, but you can't afford it, and it's not to be offensive. I'm saying because we had the price established, and multiple people have tipped that. But like, I don't even feel comfortable telling people about it again in this day and age because people will be offended, you know. So one spin, okay, whatever. That's it. Okay, cool. Yeah, there you go. No chug anyway, so get wrecked. Thank you. Yeah, a couple of people remember it. Brad remembers it. Luke. Yeah, that's right, dude. Right around there. Yep. Anyway, it's not, again, I'm not trying to make you feel bad. It's like, I don't think you would want to afford it, is what I mean. It's like you can't. I'm sure you could. Just you wouldn't want to. And some people would want to afford it, and they have afforded it, and they've done it, you know, for memes. So it's all good. No, I mean, Julie, I guess it doesn't even matter if they're tipping that much, right? It could be any platform. I don't think you can on YouTube, though. We'll see. Next request is this one. Some S-Coin. Oh, yeah, dude. Anything on this S-Coin above this level is good. Skyward. Anything above 2.9 to 3 cents is really good. Yes, that's an inflection point. If it holds, here's the thing. Why I really might like it a lot is the fact that this Gartley right here, I think, and close to a Gartley. Shoot, dude, Bartley, my God, right? That M shape, and now the M shape. You're above 2.9. Anything above that's really good. I think eventually this asset could see 6 cents again. Yes, above that level. Below it, I don't think so. But what I love about this harmonic is the harmonic itself is a reaction low and a reversal low. That's why I like it, because you were double bottoming here at a substantially higher low than previous low. You couldn't even go for a deep retrace, and now you're back above that level. It's so important. Yeah, I think eventually this target would be 6 cents, and we're talking 6 cents is like doubling in value from here. STMX. Yep, great looking asset. Pretty much actionable for a long too, because it's so close to the inflection point. Yeah, still an S-Coin. I don't care. Like, but yeah, it's not an S-Coin, dude, because doesn't matter. But hey, great looking technicals. Technicals are great.
Dealer's choice S-Coin, Koala, Surfer, Tiger.
Yeah, dude. All right, thank you, Nick, man. Yeah, well, look. Oh man, sorry, dude. Okay, I've been feeling lucky, dude. I am lucky because like no one's requesting spins, so that's super lucky. What are you talking about? Next one. Oh yeah, college ball playoffs. Alabama, Georgia, that's it. Okay. Cream. ETP Connect. Looks great. I mean, yeah, accumulation's ridiculous. If it holds 30 cents, it's going to 50 cents. Breaks 50 cents, going to 90 cents. That's it. A lot of accumulation here. Extreme accumulation. Yep. Look at that. Failed to get back down to the demand line of the yeah, I mean, like, see, it failed. The demand line's the teal line, right? The asset had so much demand on it that market participants were unable to push the price back down to that level. That's a signature. That's real. That's acceleration of accumulation. That's how you leg up. So now you're legging up. That's super strong. I mean, that's really bullish behavior. And now you're above an inflection point that is clearly identified back from September of 2017. If you stay with that long enough, you're going to 50 cents. You break 50 cents, you're going to 90 cents. You break that. Oh my God. $2, man. You get it? So it's like, yeah, white coffee accumulation is probably going on right here. It's a pretty good chart. It's lower levels. It's just illiquid. No one's ever heard of it. 29,000 volume. Give me a break. I know you might be one of the only people holding it, but chart looks okay. Technicals look pretty interesting. All right, anyway, moving on, because they request, they just don't stop. Okay. Hey, dude, I remember that time that PLA existed, and it's really like not at good levels for long now. Like, you would greater areas to request it. Hageki. Incredible Gartley reaching PCZ, huh? Gartley reaching PCC. I don't know. Are you talking about here on like lower time scales? Can't see it on the daily. Yeah, maybe he's talking about like the X, the A, the B, the C, the D. Yeah, but you're right. I gotta order food. What are y'all doing? Oh my God. All right, 4-hour candle high close right there. Interesting development. This certainly could be where it continues. Yes, you hadn't seen positive momentum since the 3rd. It's been 6 days. Sure, really bullish trend. This harmonic could certainly do this. Yes. You're right. Yeah, and like right here reinforces the argument. It's not bad. I mean, it's just momentum. It's not value, and that's okay. But yeah, this is a great context for how things can go berserk again. Sure. PLA. Nagaki, nice one, dude. Nice identification. Dealer's choice. Oh, man. Oh, can I do like... Let me order food real quick. Okay. Okay. The fact that like I did this and now I'm now just getting tired. So thanks for making me extremely groggy. But we finished the request too, so I'm good. So dealer's choice, fine. Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. Dealer's choice. Trying to break above 66,999. Can somebody turn on the music? Thanks. Just kidding. Still a little quiet. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, man. Like, no edge. You had your chance. You had your effing chance on Bitcoin at lower levels for a strategic entry, applying traditional technical analysis to a chart. Now, what do you want, man? Like, I don't know. Is it going to hold this level? You could and go continue in price discovery. Great. Maybe not. I don't know. You need to be here when there's an edge, where it makes sense when market participants are establishing classic levels of accumulation or momentum shifting behavior, right? Those things were happening literally every day. We were here 7 days a week, maybe not 7, like almost 7 days a week. You know, I went to Charlotte, I went to travel, and it's like, okay, cool. 1 day, 2 days, Halloween party. This all was here. It's all happening every day. Oh my God, is this real life? This just happened, Larry. No effing way. I don't even... Oh my God.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
smoke weed every day.
Matt Curran tipped $419.48. Feeling lucky? Flipman 0.08851291 ATH.
It's like impossible, dude. To if you're tipping crypto, the fees and everything else that's involved, it's impossible to like get it on the number because the variations like exact. If you want the Holy Jesus chimes with the Elon Musk emoji ball, it has to be $420.00. But there's just no way to make it 419 and change and all that. So kudos though, thank you, man. It's so good, dude. I'm gonna complain. I'm just telling you how the variations work. So yeah, man, it's pretty much like you have to tip through Stream Elements cash 420.00 if you want that variation. You were close to it, man, and I think that was perfect, and it was great. I don't have to pay taxes on it because I don't sell it. That's really better than anything, man. Okay.
Noise!
Cheers, brother. Can we check funds/USDT, please?
So John, if you want, dude. Fun. Remember that time the fund looked great? It looks great. I think fund's probably going to 2.6 cents, 3.7 cents eventually in time. That's it. Like, you know, I mean, stop loss below 1.8 cents, probably. Be pretty safe. 1.7 cents. And then just let it ride 3.7 cents, 4.7 cents eventually. That's it, dude. It's ready. The alternate bat, higher lows, reset, bullish trend. Yeah, this is going to do what everything else, many others are doing, okay? Everyone's patient. They have a little capital in this. They let it ride at 3.7 to 4.7 cents. That's it. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay? It's not complicated. I'm sorry. I wish there was more to talk about. It was bullish. It still is bullish. Get over it, dude. It's fun. It's VR headsets. It's metaverse. It's casinos with your friends, but not with your friends at the same time. All right. Coin flip. Tails. No chug. Tails. No chug. Heads. Chug. You tip 420, you tip even 250. It's like, and if the 250 it says coin flip, then it counts. Then it's a literally 50% chance. Okay. So I flip it, and then it lands on my hand. Then I toss it. Then I flip it on my arm. Okay. That's what I'm doing. That's what I always do. It's like sporting events. Tails, I win. Heads, you win. All right. You win. That's it. That's how it works. Now I chug. Correct. GLQ, yeah, member. How's it doing? Still doing like methodically well, right? It's not like mooned insanely, but it's up substantially since that Garley was identified on Friday. Yeah.
Would you mind giving us a history lesson on Olin Comet? I was here a long time ago when we're talking about it at $10 to 11.
The Olin Comet. Oh yeah, I checked my P&L. I still own that. I'm up 500% unleveraged on that asset, Cody G. 500% or 490, whatever, dude. Holy crap, Olin Comet, baby. Brad too. I know Brad's up, still owns it, I think. Good God. What am I drinking? Robert Mondavi. A household name. Not really. I don't know, dude. Oh, you sold all of it? I left the bag, man. The Moon Soon bag, dude. I just held it. Ammo, guns, totalitarian governments, authoritarians. It just made sense to keep a little bit.
Request ever. Stopping at Chuck.
Okay, dude. Yeah, all right. Lands on chug now. 3, 2, 1. Not really. Get wrecked, dude. You have to drink now. You just wrecked yourself. Something's going on. I've come to realize I am a scammer from Nigeria on my YouTube page. Banned. They don't stop either. They just, oh my god, dude. They never stop. The Olin comment, dude. It was 10 times more legendary than Haley's comment. Give me a break, man. Every decade, Olin comment. Olong Johnson. The Olong Johnson trade. Big one, you're just being pathetic. Okay, you're above 66,999, but meh. Act like you've been there before Bitcoin. Act like you've been in price discovery before Bitcoin. Jeez. Okay, if I'm loosey-goosey now, wait till I chug this. Isn't it beautiful? I'm almost like, you know, your Fable video game character. Oh my god, I'm getting him to chug. And he gets more and more wrecked. Or something, right? I don't know.
Bruh.
Stonebridge Advisors super chatted $49.99. Smith, would you mind taking a look at ARBK? It broke out today and want to see the next levels to watch. Recent IPO so limit chart. Thanks and chug.
Hey, Stonebridge, that's about that's about bad. But who cares about that? We can look at GLQ. GLQ. Wait. This is what happens, Larry. I mean, you know it.
See what happens, Larry?
Yeah. Well, we have to do this order thing, okay? Order in the court. Olong Johnson. Olong Johnson is next. Yes, I remember the rules. The rules. Holy crap, dude. I can't even believe it's still going. I haven't even like paid attention to it lately. Alright, so we go the weekly on Olong Johnson. Olong Johnson. Alright, this is like... I need to just get out. There's no way to even strategize now. I'm kind of just like free floating like a moon boy. But yeah, entry around $10. And still in it at 61.81. Not all of it. Most of my positions out, but I had the moon bag. The moon bag exists, and you've never been here. But once every decade, chat. October of 1990, I was 3 years old. April of 1999. March of 2009. Then COVID crash, May of 2020. You had your chance, Larry. But this time, something happened, and now you're mooning even more. Okay, it's crazy, man. Broke $50, $61. I just $70 next, maybe 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah, what was your question about it? The history lesson? It's just literally like an asset that had an inflection point. And when COVID was crashing, I was scanning through a bunch of charts and saw this one, and I'm like, Jesus, dude, this is every literal 10 years. 10 years! And it happened! So nefarious.
Nefarious Technology tipped $24.24. There's nothing better than Drunk TA stream with Mitre. Kent
Mitre
didn't get to order his tacos.
Shoot.
Still 100% accurate on that TA.
I have to do that now.
That's living the dream.
Jesus.
Great job today, man. Loads of fun.
I keep
The
getting
LPT breakout this morning was
distracted. Thanks for the hold up. The LBT broke out. Oh my god. Hold on. I gotta get food here though before I'm dead. Would you want to see me show up dead? What do you mean? You can't show up dead? How do you go to bed dead? No, you wake up dead. Okay, that place is shut down now. It's too late. Nice one, chat. I can't get tacos anymore, I don't think. You hear me? I can't get tacos anymore, man. I don't know if I want Ethiopian food. No offense. I'm just... Doesn't sound like I want that, okay? Dude. Too much pressure. I feel like I get stage fright trying to order meals while I'm live streaming. I feel like I'm gonna be judged. It's gonna be in all the newspapers tomorrow. All the tabloids. He ordered this, man. Just kidding, because I'm literally a nobody and I understand that, and I was just kidding. For anyone out there who thought this guy's being egotistical and arrogant, it's like, no, I'm not. It's all a joke, man. Alabama, or Georgia, Alabama, Oregon, Ohio State. Top 4 in college ball. Let's go, dude. Get wrecked, Cincinnati. Wah. I think it's just like bad side effect living in Birmingham, no matter where you are. You can be in the heart of it all. It's still terrible choices. Like, if I was in New York, man. Who am I kidding? I'd have to show proof of vaccine before I can even get food here. So never mind. Whatever. Please tell me this place is open.
Spin 0.00260000 ETH.
Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to just like get sustenance in my body before it's all over and I die. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to die, man. Dying's for scrubs. Not really. I mean, it happens. But like, if you can prevent it, in my situation, if I was to die, I'd be a scrub because like I could prevent it by just eating food, right? That's what I'm saying. I'm not trivializing death and all that stuff. Just chill. God. I can't say anything anymore. Everyone's just going to take it personal or something. One of these words, Berea and Pastor on my meat. Can you imagine? Like, that's just not a good joke, dude. Street tacos, choose your meat. Pastor is a choice. I mean, come on, dude. They should change the word. That is just not right because of things that have happened. God. I don't know. Like, dude, why can't I just have normal things anymore? This is so stupid.
Index exchange. Thanks, King.
Unbelievable. I think I'm just going to starve. I don't know. Thank you for words, for things. Pastor's pork. Of course it is, dude. Of course it is. Thank you, Akite. NASDAQ is over. Is it time, dude? Danny, is it time to come home and get wrecked? Bond is going crazy. Is it? Bond exceeding the world targets and going to moon? Yes, it is. Wow, look at Bond, chat. Wow, this thing is going insane. Up 32%. Jesus. Where's my coin? Where's the... Oh my god, it's so good, dude.
Spin.
How many spins do I owe? Oh, the pastor's a steak, dude. Yeah, okay. Just not right, dude. Not right. No chugs. I think I owe one.
Order a burger with cream.
Gross, dude. Gross. Burger cream. Burger cream's gross, man. Thank you, egg. Okay, I'm just gonna like, oh my god. I'm just gonna spend $100 on sushi, okay, chat? Will that make people happy? So you just get this over with, man. I'm sick of this. God. Okay. New cart. Okay, sashimi deluxe with a Philly roll. Okay. Let's just go nuts, dude. Let's just go berserk. Unbelievable. I can't believe this is my order. Let's show them how internet money works, chat, okay? I guess. Or should we just do tuna tartar? Tuna tartar, chat, or other things too. I'm sorry, man. I get it. Like, I mean, you're gonna lose all your viewers, man. I'm like, what can I do? I've been live for 3 hours. I gotta eat food. Jesus. People are just so mad. People are like upset with the streamer. I'm just gonna get another order of that, another order of that, and we're just gonna do it. Okay. Okay, it's about to be unbelievable. Okay.
Spin.
Yeah, just gonna spend $80 on sushi, chat, total. Let's go, dude. F it. Let's laugh at the bill. Let's make the bill a joke. Ha 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 ha. $80 on sushi. Easiest purchase of my entire life, chat. So anyway, Bond, why is it doing that? Oh, remember that time Bond was doing this? I mean, give me a break. Welcome to technical analysis being respected. This is just when things happen, chat. Hello? Hello? You know, Bond's at its highest level multiple months. June 22nd, last time you saw Bond at these levels. Hello? You starting to get it? If you're newer, can you get it, right? How it works? Oh, harmonic structure, deep retrace, confirmation low, moon
spins up to you.
Spins up to me. Well, hold on, dude. I mean, hex or spins. Well, that's the way it always should be, right? It's either a contribution request or it's a spin, right? Sushi is expensive AF. But not so much if you actually go there and get it. If you're like ordering it like I am, yeah, dude, it's like, I mean, you got really poor people delivering really rich people sushi. Yeah, it's gonna, welcome to it. And then the companies have to turn a profit. Not really, because Uber Eats and Uber does not turn a profit at all. So it's like not even about that. Even though in a real world it'd be crazy, right? Okay. Just read some of these comments. Like, so Bond, dude, Bond is literally up 36% right now, and it keeps climbing. He's at session highs. Why would I not be on this chart? It's like Bond, James Bond live stream, going on highest level since May almost. Dang, dude, keep it rolling. Bueller. No, yeah, what we're gonna do? Tacos were there and they're gone. The tacos are literally inexistent now, so it's like, okay, I can't do anything, man. Okay. Get right, Bitcoin. You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't doing nothing, man. You ain't breaking that resistance. You ain't going in price discovery. You thought you was. You ain't, man. All right. So how do I do another spin or A little, not really. 5 hours is not far from the coast. That gets driven up every single. There are multiple unlimited companies that exist here that drive here from the coast and provide that. So, and 5 hours, 4.5 hours, really. Yeah. Quick, come on, man. Let's go. See that? Good guy Clint just literally paid for all my sushi, dude.
Thanks for coming along with us tonight. Enjoy your dinner.
Bruh, Clint, we've already been long though, right? We've been long and we're just enjoying all the gains, man. Right? Beautiful. Thank you, dude. C is for C note. Ironic. Thank you, dude.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to press that. That button isn't like, okay, the bow to your sensei sound clip is in the most inopportune area because when I'm on other pages, it's like the most important button I always push on every page. So it's like I'm just habitually pressing that button, and when I'm on the one page, it's bow to your sensei. So if you're wondering why that always gets pushed, it's just because like I'm moving around different pages. Bow to your sensei, okay? All right. I think do I owe another spin because there were 3 of them. I think I was doing 2 of them. Maybe I did all 3. Someone just keep me posted on that. If you're a mod, let me know. Hex, I can look at Hex, but he said do Hex or 2 spins. You know what? Just to piss off everyone who's obsessed with Hex, I'll just do 2 spins. Probably a terrible idea. I mean, it's like really risky. Now it's 3 spins because spin again connect. Thank God. All right, so I owe 1 more. If I owe 1 more, here it is. That's it. Get wrecked, Bitcoin. You ain't gonna do S and nothing, dude. I ain't know nothing now. It doesn't matter, Spider. It's over. That's all been paid, and there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. What I can do though is change the color of my upstairs foyer and make it cool. Maybe. I wonder how cool it'd look if I changed the color like something else, like what did I man? Oh, let's do like what, Soho? Maybe not. I don't know, dude. It's probably not gonna work because it's all something's F, dude. All my technology got F'd earlier. I don't know what it is. I gotta have my blind guy come out. All my like hue stuff stopped working. It's so weird, man. Oh no, I know what it is. Never mind. It's neither of that.
Cardano to the moon.
Cardano to moon, and it again, if you were paying attention to previous streams, it's okay, but it's not like there are better assets. There are certainly better assets out there that are showing consecutive higher highs, higher lows. They'll look much better. It doesn't mean that Cardano sucks or it's not a contender, but yeah, man, it's like whatever. All this stuff's working. We're good, dude. Just it was my certain accent lights were. You know, dude, whatever. Alright. Okay. The solar flare, that's what I heard. Like, solar flare is going nuts. People are losing their minds. We're going Tokyo in the foyer, alright? In Tokyo! Okay. I did the spin so I don't have to look at Hex because it was my choice, and I'll move on. There are no more requests except this one, of course. Always a request, chat. Always. Don't be fooled. Ugh. Yeah, complete reset. Oh my god, man. What happened? Dude, like, for real, what happened, man? Like, someone get pissed off? I mean, it's bullish bat stuff. I mean, you're at 88% retraces. Think about it. It's like one of these highs, the low, the high, the 88% retrace. Can you believe it? I can't even believe this news. I can't believe this asset is at an 88% retrace from its previous low. And when we've seen countless assets do the same thing, and then some of them have already gone above the top of the harmonic, and this one's just hanging out at it. It's pretty good. Look at the effing divergence on there. That's like psycho 4-hour divergence. Like, I'm just gonna keep diverging. We can't diverge anymore.
Hopefully this contribution is after a sushi roll's worth of sushi by the time it gets to you, after taxes, and inflation, and socialist spending packages and stuff.
I'm sorry, but it won't get to me. It won't get to me until after that, so I'm sorry. Thank you. It was a valiant effort, Pat M. But yeah, your $15 super chat is like $8 probably to me. The government, I mean the IRS and YouTube, they get it all. Like I get half of it.
China to me.
You tip me in crypto though? You tip me at OneUpCoin in crypto, I literally get all of it. And I don't pay taxes because I don't sell it and I don't convert it. It just stays that amount. So you can tip me super chat and I get half of it, or you tip me in crypto or I get all of it. You tip me in Stream Elements, I get like 60% of it. 60%, yeah. So yeah, in my tax bracket, tipping me in crypto is certainly the best way to do it because the way the tax system works now. So, yep. Oh, I missed everyone's request, dude. I missed it all. Yeah, I know. I'm a terrible person. I don't even deserve to, whatever. So, I guess reaction low, and I guess maybe reversal low on the scam wick. I don't know, man. But yeah, you have to say 252, certainly a lower risk area. And that's a pretty good area to maybe size up your stop losses and stuff. Because below that, you could go to $2. Putting this on the daily. I don't even care about the harmonic. There's not an edge, really. I mean, daily isn't really giving us anything good right now. I don't know. I think they're better assets where I don't have to ask questions. I think it's at a great area. Could be doing something awesome. But just at the same time, I just think like things like Dash that were amazing yesterday, 2 days ago, that are up 10% plus now. I mean, those were the ones, man. There are others, right? Patreon, give me a break. They were just good.
China.
But this is okay.
Look at it on the Ascendex exchange, Mitch for ATH.
Of course. Of course. Wait. I've been here before. It looks pretty good. It looks great. It looks great. No edge still on the daily.
It's just
None.
for me not knowing how to tip in crypto on your YouTube stream.
Pat, it's very easy. Like, you just look at the description below, and then there's a link that sends you to OneUpCoin, and it's very simple once you go beyond that. Like, you click that link and OneUpCoin. That's it. And that, dude, like, what's so crazy is I love it because it's so necessary. Everyone's adopted it. Everyone has, like, literally adopted OneUpCoin here. And, like, I get tipped so... Here it is. Here it is. Chat, here it is. I don't know how long this work's been here. It's been here October. Dude, this is it. Thank you for the reminder. I was looking at something else. I bet you money. You were the one that requested this before, and you're like, where's all his work? What's his that? Why is he redoing it? And it's like, this is it. Oh, this is incredible. I mean, upside 350, 368 minimum here. You're springing, you're back testing. This is pretty much actionable for a long trade setup. I mean, dude, it's like you go long now around this area. Stop loss. Yeah. Oh, okay. Now you could try. No, you can't even get away with it. You can't even get away with taking profit until $4, $4.09. Dude, it's not even. You're okay, dude. You're good. Like, it's not your fault. It's like, who even knew that there was a crypto tipping system that is synced up with Stream Elements? Not many people use it, and it's kind of insane. And it's like their loss because whatever. Imagine wanting to get tipped in super chats. YouTube, that is so greedy. They're like the most insanely greedy company. Like, Google buys YouTube and they just neuter it. And like, hey, it was 5 seconds for an ad. Now it's 6 seconds. Shh, 1 extra second. What's the big deal, man? It's just 6 seconds. We'll just up our price to our advertisers. Yeah, by 1/6. No big deal. Let's just. Oh, every second now. Oh, every 20 seconds there's an ad now. Every 10 seconds there's an ad. Every 5 seconds, everything you watch is an ad now. That's YouTube. They're so greedy. They're just like constantly. That's the only way they can make money is just by throwing in more advertisements and time it takes for you to get through the advertisement before you can watch the content. It's unbelievable. It's so greedy. They had nothing to do with this platform. They just bought it out and they're just neutering it now. And then they're just putting people in charge who shouldn't be in charge. But we're going to put them in charge, dude. They need to be in charge. Injustice. They must be in charge, okay? Yes, let them do stupid things that are regressive for the whole friggin' channel, but they must make the decisions, okay? You stop right now. We must shadow ban people talking about real things that are actually trying to help people, like, you know, their lives and make them money. Yeah, forget what I do. We got to watch somebody, you know, we got to watch somebody Swiss cake rolls, okay? Like 50,000 Swiss cake rolls in 10 seconds, okay? That has to be viral. What I do must always be hidden, whatever. So this is how one could size up AKT in ways, all right? Pretty freaking good, man. This is pretty solid right here, dude. Wow. Grace Foundation, Scott Carney, harmonictrader.com is great. Look at his channel on YouTube, Harmonic Trader. He is the godfather of harmonics, and he is a valued member of our community. Scott Carney. What's going on? No way, right? Whoa, that's crazy, dude. That's great. This has to be, like, dude, this is it, man. Like, it's, and you got not really much room to be equitable at $4, but this is a great way to size up an asset, okay? Based on low risk, high reward opportunities. Okay? Chat, you're at it. You are literally at it. Hold on, give me a second, okay? This is it. This is a great idea. Wow. I am good. Thank you so much for the reminder about this thing that was already identified, remember? And it just looks even better now, so thanks. But you were probably the one that requested it before, you know, like a month ago. Trend analysis, harmonic pattern, technical indicator, Kangs. Brad, we must make sure this person is making decisions, you know, got to make sure they feel good, that they're not oppressed, and they feel great, okay? Thank you. Well, it doesn't matter if they're stupid decisions that are regressive for the company, as long as we get more advertising revenue, whatever, man. We're YouTube. That's YouTube. Literally, YouTube, just everything about, like, all this new culture is just a wet fart. It's so stupid, dude. Okay. Yeah, here we go. AKT. Oh, stop making me drink alcohol, because when you do this, I just started whatever. Oh, it's probably a good idea to get off stream. So I'm just gonna just talk at too much fun. I'm gonna get canceled. Okay, that was it. Right? That was it. That was it. Thank God. Oh my God. Whew. We did it, man. Pathetic. Oh, FIL, dude. FIL is going to take over America. It's going to take over Bitcoin. No, it's not. I mean, I own it, but what a joke, dude. Biggest joke of my entire life till it sees like $100. Like, give me a break, man. This thing should be going to insane levels based on the context of the chart. That's it. Okay. So I'll just wait on this food, I guess. You know, no big deal, man. Okay. Sorry, I think we're good. I think we're great, chat. Oh yes, Dunbridge, get wrecked. That's your refund. Your refund is just owning FIL, right? I don't like this guy, Mitch. Then just own FIL, and you make all your money, and you hate me. But the reason why you own FIL is because I told you about it, and then everything works out, I guess, right? Okay, cool. Even if you're hate watching me, you can make money. And it's FIL's your ticket. You're a little late, though. I mean, not really. I mean, you're pretty kind of late, but 22% off. But, like, still, you're good. You can do things, man. Stonebridge is literally kidding. JK. Ironically, your name's JK because it's just kidding. Connect. Get right, dude. Hey, look at me. Hi, I'm Ethereum, and I'm up on the day. Can you believe it? 0.12%. Okay. So look here and listen. Chat, it's been a great stream. Oh, God. Is that... You're right, dude. All right. I think I know. I thought it was AARK, but... Here, is this what you want? You literally typed it. ARBK. You look here, you listen. You have an asset that has certainly made its all-time high today. All right, all we can do now is high to low it. You go from your high, you go to your low the range. And where you at your video 1272 Viv extension, you know where you're going. Your target is $22, $21.95. You rate $29.95, you go to $26.26, the 2618. That's all we got. We have very little data here, but there is certainly consecutive levels of accumulation. One low, a second low, a third low. The third low failed to test the demand line again. What does that mean? Too many buyers, too much demand, acceleration of accumulation. That's it, dude. Super strong. See you at 22 bucks. See you at 26.26 if you want your targets. That's it, dude. That's all I can tell you. If you want something else that I could tell you, maybe, just maybe, a strong wave structure. It would be the crab. The crab would be a PCZ. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, different. I gotcha. Different fib extensions or different like fib nodes. 618. The harmonic PCZ would be 2280. 2280. Chat 2280. So that's it for ARBK. All right, there you go. Sorry I missed your request. There's a lot of stuff going on, man. Okay. My bad, dude. There's not much data, but it is breaking out. Anyway, get wrecked, Bitcoin. You're devastated. You're going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. You understand if it goes to 64,899, it is not that weird. It is not crazy. Like, it could happen, and only Moonboy scrubs would be devastated and their lives would be turned upside down. Like normal people that bought in at reasonable levels that made all the sense in the world, that also understand technical back tests of old all-time highs as support, those people, we would not care. We would get it and be like, okay, great. What do you want? I don't give a F. My stop loss is below $59,200, right? So the inverse head and shoulders, right shoulder, it's a little bit below that. That's my stop loss. Where's yours? Oh, my stop loss is get wrecked, dude. Like, I mean, you know, it just depends on where you got in. If you were paying attention, playing the right game. If you're just moon boying in now, what do you want from me? Have fun getting stopped out anywhere, like in the 65s. This thing goes down and back test 64,899. Again, it would just be back testing that old all-time high for as a support for the first time in history, human history. So if it goes down there, I don't care. People that are smart don't care. Now, moon boys care, and you might be a moon boy, and I'm sorry. But when opportunity presents itself, it's far too late to prepare. So that's your own fault. You should have been here just a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and everything's good. But you're now here. You effed up. You effed up showing up now. It's your fault. It's not our fault. Smart money or smarter strategic money, dumber money up here. Okay, that's it. So love y'all. Great stream. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. That's right. Ring the bell. I'll be back. I'm going to eat the sushi. I'll keep y'all posted on it in the Discord, maybe Instagram. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA. Du willst mich mit hier, aber das ist egal. Time to get wrecked, everybody. Get devastated. You hear that, chat? Somebody said, who was it? Newey saying Bitcoin's creating lower lows. Chat, Bitcoin's got lower lows. It's all over, man. Incoming zero. Better listen to Newey in the YouTube chat. It's over, dude. Just wrap it up. Bear market has started. Okay. Alright, dude, this bread's actually so depressing. I got it, man. Alright, man. JB, you want to cue it up, man? JB, are you a human or are you a robot? Well, hold on. First out, what is your name? What is your name?
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Manbear Pig could be in this area.
Price gonna dip.
I don't know, sir.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.